DJ have a twanging problem. Check. Aluminum because they use them. The truth I hurt them. Truth I hurt them. Who's a Louis finger bun up like the chicken foot them? I hope Kirk no make no mistake and go cook them. If the hand them bun up so you can imagine if them. The truth I hurt them. The truth I hurt them. Tanya Stevens, Lady G, Lady Star, we love them. Fanny Knock, G have a belly problem.
Check.
Like Captain
Ready?
Them the truth I hurt them.
Sure up my band, me have a flip up gal wing. Under me Guinness and me skunk and ting. Gal coulda fat, me say gal coulda slim. Hear when me sing,
check. Yeah, chat, we live. You checked in. You checked in to another Friday. It's a Throwback Friday, Live Vibes. Let's think DJ Bucket on 1 and 3. What you know?
Girls time, have the sweetest time when the sun gone in and the moon start shine and the cassette and the tape they can rewind.
All right, make a check in right now. You don't know what time it is. It's Vibes Friday and this is the pre-Vibes DJ Bucket on the 1s and 2s. You don't know show soon start, but for right now, a throwback week, so Bucket a carry back in the 2000s right now. DJ Bucket, squeeze the children. Had the sweetest time when the sun gone in and the moon start shine and the cassette and the tape they can rewind. Juice a blend up with red sparkling wine. Girls time, had the sweetest time when the sun gone in and the moon start shine and the cassette and the tape they can rewind.
Honey bun, love when coming on my belly.
Don't panic, don't commit. Cocky make you feel like you want vomit.
Every day in a New York, stop me up, fuck me up.
Mango fuck, and no bed, cock up your foot, hold down your head.
Me say, cocky stiff so, lad make it stiff so. And me fit tell you it's sweet like a kiss so.
Your pussy pretty and fat and it thick so. Tight like a grip so me cocky get blister.
Me never get a man when me want keep so.
You no mean it, go on you a mix up.
Come put a icky on me neck, make it big so.
Come
Alright.
Make you love me. Come a burst and my pum pum flow.
Pull up now for the ladies them when I chat early. Pull up for the ladies them when I chat early. I don't know what season it is ladies. I don't know this season, this season. Alright! Again, people who passing through the link is in the bio. 9, pass the laptop please. Let me verify something. Already. Me I beg you for no pass through, just drop a like and go on. Alright?
Me say, cocky stiff so, lad make it stiff so. And me fit tell you it's sweet like a kiss so.
Alright, Miss Josie, hold on, let me check something.
Me never get a man when me want keep so.
You no mean it, go on you a mix up.
Come put a icky on me neck, make it big so.
Come make me put it on baby.
Me know I make you love me. Come a burst and my pum pum fluffy.
Come take out me cocky and broke it.
Send it up now my belly like rocket.
You come from me take off your panty.
Bucky, verify your email, please. Verify
the juice you put on if you hold me.
My baby, my weak to your cocky.
Don't put it on you.
Alright, people, we're there again.
When me a poke, me see bright pepper light.
When me a
Miss Josie, you're here early. Respect.
So when that coming like, when me a fuck it coming like Christmas. It coming like
Oh God.
When me a fuck it coming like Christmas.
Like we said, DJ Bucket, 21s and fuse.
It coming like Christmas. It coming like Christmas. It coming like Christmas.
Alright, people, stay tuned. You don't know this is the early vibes right now. We are going pre-warm. Throwback week. Watch the style. Watch your style.
Yeah. Your eyes coming like Bible. When them open up, you see heaven. Yeah, me girl, you bless my angel. Loving you like Rachel. We life coming like Bible. A parable of some greatness. From your born till now, that's stay blessed. Never afraid that they hate stairs. You have the ever blessed good love. I gotta go with you. and I'm in love with you like wow. The ever blessed good love, gotta go with you, and I'm in love with you like wow. The ever blessed good love, I gotta go with you, and I'm in love with you like wow. The ever blessed good love, I gotta go with you, and I'm in love with you like wow. Can you come over? This backers, foot on shoulder. Do you want rum? Or you want me fuck your soda? Skin it out for the surgeon. La 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 la. La 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 la. Your pussy feel like heaven, heaven, heaven. La 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 la. La 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 la. Your pussy feel like heaven, heaven, heaven. She a ride and a move like a jockey. Girl, I use your tight pussy bruise up me cocky. She take it down, suck it down, put it in back. I must the girl in the blues, you a copy. You have to come first, that me sure. Stiff cocky me a give you more. See the cocky you take control. Te amo, hola.
La 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 la.
La 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 la.
Hey girl,
like heaven.
the ever bliss, the ever bliss, no stress, no stress.
La 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 la. La 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 la.
We have been one mix this. Thanks for joining in, Jay.
Heaven, heaven.
All right. Thanks for the likes, people. You're just tuning into Vibes Friday each and every Friday. This your boy, girl, it's Jay. DJ Bucket over this upon the ones and fuse.
DJ Bucket.
You don't know. Yeah. The link is in the bio. You don't know after a certain time we are going with some badness, so we can't go on with over here. So, just stay tuned to Vibes Friday. We are going to warm up piano, just watch his style. Watch his style. Watch your style and we can't spoil. Yeah. Miss Josie and Jay, go on rock.
Move your one from your journal. Wind up your body, come me one.
When you ready? When you ready? Watch this style, watch this style, watch this style.
Wind up your tight pussy pan a kakia. It long till it bend like banana. Come wind up your tight pussy pan a kakia. It long till it bend like banana.
Oh God!
And then you turn back with your girl, sit down on it. Let me push it in like every Santana. Wind up your tight pussy pan a kakia. It long till it bend like banana. Your body good, me have to talk about it. Come in and make your soul and no ask about it. Wind up your body, make me video.
Ladies, remember when you use the T4 Tanga dance? Me a talk about the ladies, them in them 30s right now. At them time, you have the T4 Tanga wine to them tune, right?
Combine up your tight pussy pan a kakia. It long till it bend like banana. Combine up your tight pussy pan a kakia. It long till it bend like banana. And then you turn back with your girl, sit down on it. Let me push it in like every Santana. Combine up your tight pussy pan a kakia.
That you say.
From the first day, when my buck her upstate.
Whoa.
I say she love it, Jenna like a cupcake. She said don't leave, me I beg you just stay. Give me one more night with you till the sun rays again. Sorry baby, me know you're frustrated, but another girl a call me for your pin up gate. Slide the beam.
Even though we say a throwback quick, we have to go in the future for the girl them to right.
You know, and the girl can't stay one place for too long. Like a nomad, can't settle down with one. Shantae said she had a rough day. Me feeling hard on a buff day. Deal with the buff rough like a man we broke grave. Proper discipline so she never complain again. Melissa want me jump on a flight to Las Vegas cause she want some cane.
Ready?
Boyfriend locking, she want upgrade. Been a while since she taxi her front way. They say and I ask when me a come back on the south side cause she need more time with me. But she have to bear in mind that I'm continental always. And the girl can't stay one place for too long. Like a nomad can't settle down with one. I know say me busy body, but enough girl run off of me. And I gotta accommodate, which mean me can't stay one place. From the first day, when my buck her upstate. Girl, I said she love it, then I like a cupcake. She said, don't leave. Me, I beg you, just stay. Give me one more night.
Oh, yes, the custom.
Again. Sorry, baby, me know you're frustrated. But another girl I call me for your pin-up gate. Slide the beamer in a garage without brakes. Press gas until she explode like a volcano. And the girl can't stay one place for too long. Like a nomad, can't settle down.
Some boy don't know what we talk, say me a talk up. Me a tell you, say me a beg you a touch. Me a tell you, say me a beg you a touch. Belly flat, belly mark up. Anywhere you got the dance, I pick up. Me a tell you, say me a beg you a touch. Me a tell you, say me a beg you a touch. Girl, wind up your body and wind to the top. Turn around, be a snapshot. Post for the big bike or the drop top, let me use me black, let me take a snapshot. Adopt a some jack, petty mad start. Me plus you plus ramping shop equal. No disturb me, nobody knock. Browning says she chopper with a nigga pot yeah. So me lock the door, so me fling away the key. Nobody put it on it, just a fling away the key. Nobody put it on the ground, fling away the key. Girl, how you know it, you a lock me down for set me free. So me lock the door, so me fling away the key. We are gonna live in that, you know. Fling away the key. You know have nowhere else to go. Fling away the key. She says she want the tea bag, but I not take the tea. Thank you. Some boy don't know what we talk, say me a talk up. Me a tell you, say me a beg you a touch. Me a tell you, say me a beg you a touch. Belly flat, belly mark up. Anywhere you got the dance, I pick up. Me a tell you, say me a beg you a touch.
What's the custom? Watch it.
You hear ya, me want see the dollar sign, yeah. Me no pretty pass me eye blind, yeah.
Appreciate the likes, Miss Josie.
Me no know where 2000.
What's up, PJ?
2010, oh 10. Thank you, Father, me eye open. Me spend a bag of songster last year. That year you a share and me want spend. Me done with every bad mind, old friend. Me done with every gold digger girlfriend. Me a save every money when me make. It protect myself and me pick me then come later.
So for the new year, me find a new gear.
Gwan vibes right now. So like I said, people, hey, Miss Josie, respect. Thank you. The link is in the bio. We're live over the other place right now. The link is in the bio. You don't know YouTube. TikTok now, make we go out with certain things over here. But YouTube, make we go on with all of the badness stuff. YouTube people, ready? Me a look cool in the YouTube chat, and me a look cool in the chat. Hey, Afro baby, walk on. Appreciate the likes, everybody. You don't know I say 5K we are trying before to go about the business. Please and thanks. But like we say, Vibes Friday, pre-Vibes, DJ Bucky alongside Gallus J. It's Throwback Week. And you don't know we are going to play juggle some old school tune from when we used to go class party and them thing. Listen to this.
Girl, it must be the way you wear clothes, the way how you do your eyes, the way how you wind your waist slow. Maybe that's the reason that me say me loving it. The way how you're smiling, me loving it. The way how you do your ear, me loving it. Nobody no love you like me, so turn the way you come face for me. Don't let go, she a praise for me. Girl, you no regular, you VIP. Baby, are you fi have me, baby? Girl, let me tell you something. This a no one enough. Girl, a double, this a double.
Hey.
Say you have a man, then a trouble.
Yo, people, me are telling you them cold winter time here right now, you know. You just want to take a quick vacation and go somewhere warm and find a girl like this. Hey.
Back it up on the dick, your body full of grip. Girl, I know funny body bubble from me cocky tip. Me set you for your neck in the bed and make it quick. Me love it when you sit on the cocky then you split. Position with the back as when you do them on your tip. Squeeze up your breast that I wait up you sit and quick. Girl, your body fat up on your cock up on your dick. Pose make me take your flick like me and Nick. Wipe on the cocky and turn. Wind up your body that firm. Got your body clean, your body no full of germs. Yeah, I love my Caribbean girl. Let's go to the beach. Make we have a party from the sun, girl. Take off your rock, me want to see you now your tongue. But suppose, make me use my touch, snap one. Now pretty belly skin, they ready to
If you're in the chat right now, me just want to say present, cause we are going to check attendance and we're done, you know. Alright?
Girl dash where you road and some boy still a play sober and do one none. Put me hand on the Bible, me swear to your honor. Believe me, a girl over gun. International girl is a woman and me yard in a bed, so my sleep and rum. No, me no watch man pants, boy, call me no tailor for that. You watch straight fire bun. And the girl them turn up me thing. And the girl them turn up me thing.
Yo, pull up that tune there again. Pull up that tune there again. Cause some boy don't know you know bucket. You have to tell them 2 times if them not here. Make them know who turn up the thing. Some man got a party if you go show off for next man how much buckle them can buy. Make me teach you something right now.
You know see, girl dash where you road and some boy still a play sober and do one.
Not true.
Put me hand on the Bible, me swear to your honor. Believe me, a girl over gun. International girl is a woman and me yard in a bed, so my sleep and rum. No, me no watch man pants, boy, call me no tailor for that. You watch straight fire bun. And the girl them turn up me thing. And the girl them turn up me thing. Vegan can go round me thing. Them a try fi corrupt.
Ready.
And the girl them turn up me thing. And the girl them turn up me thing.
Says our destiny.
Make we talk to the ladies them right now. You see them?
Says our destiny. They get next to me. This a girl I want flex with me. Rest with me. Nothing less sissy. So me give you all the best of me. The girl I want like a gypsy. One more shot and she get tipsy. She have the itsy. The real itsy. Settle down on me lady. You know to say you a drive me crazy. The way you whine you want me.
Oh God.
You know take a bag of man like the Navy. Settle down on me lady. Rock it out on the floor, you're not lazy.
Like I said, people, the link is in the bio. We're taking attendance, so make sure you go over there and go say present. Come in and stay as a too long, right? What's the old school week? I that we are do.
Even though things well ration, still by lucky 5 big tree and Japan. Down a town where me shop for my fashion. Want a clocks and me shot for the cash on. Even though man I hustle every day. When Friday come man can't see them away. No bother got light and shine for me. So me not go stray for nobody. One day, me know me have to get my
appreciate the like, thank you.
Yeah, now look you wife. Shawnee's yeah.
Right now, that's time you have to be friend them boy. They are with me every Friday to make sure so we go live. Look, we tell me friend them boy right now.
Me nah sell out my friend, nah but this my friend. Be a blessing, me son. Please your guide and protect them.
Oh
nah
God.
sell out my friend, nah but this my friend. Be a blessing, me son. Please your guide and protect them.
I'm drinking. I'm drinking.
I'm drinking rum and razor.
Oh.
And you see, let me hard food.
Them like juggling, yeah, them old school juggling, not true.
Them on the dance, I'll get crap full. And I'm rum and Red Bull. And you see, let me hard fool. Them want me get awful.
If you don't know me drink from, watch it.
Half a bunch to go and tell me about a crash off a bike. Me lose me visa, but everything nice. Big up the teacher, car future bright. No worry about the car way.
I'm
okay, because me clean every day. Clocks
one easy no day.
Time a day. Buy out any bar, cause me have money fi pay. You know Sir Rasta not stray. I'm okay. For look a girl, me no shy. Money stack and pipe, straight up to the sky. Batman see us.
Make good time.
Me not on the G-U-I.
Whether night or even day.
Like I say, you're tuning into Vibes Friday each and every Friday. This is your boy, Girls J, alongside DJ Bucket, the whole Vibes family there. 9 p.m. we go live on YouTube. So right now, everybody over there want to go over YouTube. Go say present. We're taking attendance. Yeah. Link is in the bio, quick and fast. This is just the pre-vibes, right? DJ Bucket, no start go up in that juggling here tonight. Go on easy, go on easy.
I was rolling in the street, looking so neat in my drop top. Looking right at as I pull up at the stoplight. There was this cute girl looking at me. She said, hey, baby, can I ride with you? Slide with you, I spend some time with you. So I said, come on in.
The link is in the bio, people. Link is in the bio. Go over there, go say present. We so turn up the badness over there. Oh God. Ladies in the chat.
bust a walk and then you bust a wine. Girl, you know ugly like Frankenstein. Love how you bubble and do it fun time. Back it up and a man embrace. Bust a wine like you think I squeeze you.
And you see when you wine pon the thing, my girl. You see when you wine pon the thing. You what me want you know.
Give me your everything.
Roll it.
Make you my everything, girl. Come wine pon the thing. You a bust them heartstrings.
Hey, girl.
Wine and go up on the thing. Climb and go up on the thing, girl. You have every man a spin. Time to get some of your loving. Champion, get your body wet like the ocean. Me, yourself, you fit open. Wine for me in a slow motion. You use olive oil for your lotion. Girl, you what in a me real life, you what in a me dream. Me da put in a me bed and make you out the magazine. You are the cream of the cap in the skin. You are me African queen, girl. Wine and go on the thing. Climb and go on the thing.
Up in the juggling, we are start, go you know. Start, boom, start. Girl, make your body boom. Girl, make your body boom. Boom, spinning cocky and jump. All girls in the chat, uno ready.
Everyone me go, see every man attack. You are the light.
Like we say, DJ Bucket alongside Girl J. Pre-Vibes Mix. You tune in to Vibes Friday. We here every Friday at 9 p.m. Over YouTube with the link in the bio with the badness. Watch I know. Stand up and dance. And next week event that. How y'all know I can dance though? That's what I'm trying to know. Let me, hey, ladies, make your body jar booms. Make your body jar booms. Wine panikaki make you jump. Hey, make your body bad. Hey. You just have a back at me. Look, you miss me as a me, look me, my stick. That body.
Yeah, this one.
A throwback we say like, you know, no ladies. Let me see if you remember them song, yeah.
Girl, you never kill no baby. I will never take a bath.
Pull up. Ladies right now, me have a question for the ladies them. Pull up. Ladies right now. Make me talk to them right now. Me have a question for the ladies them, Bucket. Talk to them. Me leave laugh to ask. Play the tune. All girls. Me have one thing for ask you now. I'm wanting an honest answer right now. Work with me, girls. From you know you're not no guilty heart, my girl, and you know you can't go ever hold up your head. Yeah. Ready. Oh God.
Are you independent lady? Are you not in a prostitution? Cause you are good as ya, and a girl can't flap you.
What them there?
Look how me good, look how me strong, look how me great. Up to the top, don't you walk up into the air.
Oh God.
Where them a do, where them a try, them a fuck. Me constant clean and lubricate. Then how them a go so hype? How them a go so hype? Like them better than nobody and them not live right. How them a go so hype? How them a go so hype?
If you like the vibe, subscribe right now.
Pussy just say no hang on. So shall not see the body and take on. Y'all run the boy we blow down like Kowan. Make him no back.
Make me talk again if them no ear.
Pussy just say no hang on. So shall not see the body and take on. Y'all run the boy we blow down like Kowan.
Make me talk to the ladies them. See them we are. Watch out.
You know me call canal. With the back of the talk canal.
Back of fly.
Up to the time. Down to the minute.
Like we said, this is Throwback Week, you know. I was said Throwback, we are talking about the Black Cartel, you know. That's how we reach, you know. A girl is class, same time, you know. And when you know approach the ladies, them people. Listen how you approach the ladies, them now.
You know me call canal. With the back of the talk canal. Tough a lie. Split for life, split so till me high. Talk a fly. Create a Jimmy's pile up in the sky. Woman watch me like a spy. Cartel no shy guy. Me not go lie. Dog them so them want me bonify. Them get high. Driving into the 320i. In a July. The pressure on the pussy me apply. Up to the sky. I told them it's called don't drink and
Vibes Friday each and every Friday. Know this boy. You see Bucky. You see Dr. Sour. You see 9 Vibes. You see Punda. You see Bucky to Uncle Beans. After we pray in the morning.
First thing me do when we wake up, but I get in the nerves.
Not true.
Straight from West Town, boss. Me have to smoke.
As I ganja man.
Send on, and never hang on.
Oh God.
Send on.
See the bad part of the song here.
Me get high like a pedestal, heavenly and celestial, extraterrestrial. When me smoking up.
Yo, me never know them big words I mean when I time in.
Mix it like a cereal, sweat like material. Me deal with it like chicken, hot and spicy, and original.
Make it play.
Because the crew a ganja man professional. Then Lenky get higher than the.
What you say, DJ? Yeah, something else for them.
That's why you only
watch out now.
First thing me do when we wake up, when I get from the nerves fast.
Let me tell you something.
Ring a rosy, your pocket full of prosy. Asham, your arm fell down. Ashes in the water, ashes in the sea.
You see live vibes crew? You see the live vibes crew? Yo, what we tell the girl them no.
You can meet me at the party. You can bring your short.
Miss Juicy, Miss Juicy, Miss Juicy.
Yo, them my team rolling. So fresh as a genie, it could have seemed like we living on the washing machine. Living a dream, we get in the green, stuck in the green.
Girl is there, bucket, fuck up the place now.
I be a girl, I look on the screen, I send them up to run the stocking machine. Alpha skill, I want intervene for that appeal. Doesn't remember we locking machine. Now we are money making to the extreme and the plating. But we are on the best thing.
Pam. Walk on.
Still less green, can't affect we esteem. And I'm not around with the best queen. The girl I'm watching shot at them, I love the dead scene.
Yeah, you know where someone, go through.
And the next scene, with this bag and mad max a flex me.
What them say, Andre? Go expect me like. You're a good man, no? Yeah, I know.
Living the dream.
You don't know when they up here with the same way. Oh.
I be a girl, I look on the screen. I said them up to ride the slapping machine. I'll do a skill, I want intervene for that champion.
Yeah.
But man, we don't want like gasoline. Slip on your slide like a
Yo, Jay.
gasoline. You see me with the first evil ass. Vaseline, can we don't play with me, no, this and no blast, the scene. Don't make me not for sure you what gangs to me.
Yeah, people. I want to see you, Miss Juicy. You see, you like the vibe? You already subscribe? Alright.
12 o'clock with no mass machine when we are rolling. So fresh as a clean, it could not seem like we're living on the washing machine. Living the dream, we get in the green, back in the green, like a walking cashing machine. Touch on the scene, I be a girl, I look and I scream, I send them up to ride the slapping machine. I'll do a skill, I want intervene for that champion.
Over you two, we sorry.
Tell me no crap about you never know.
You don't know, say a throwback week, you know, girl is there alongside DJ Bucket Vibes Friday. Watch the mix now.
If you don't touch a man, wave your right hand on. If you don't lesbian, wave your right hand on. Some boy go to jail for kill man, turn bad man, chichi mo. Zaga sound, I'm a sex of Mona Lisa and I'm a bird of Asia Lisa and some boy go to jail for murder, turn bad man, chichi mo.
Oi! This is true, cause the place I get cool right now. What we are gonna do in night Friday, yeah? Whoa!
Yo, got the youth, them a look. Catch it fire. Yo, got the food that we cook. Catch it fire. Yo, let them wicked them shook. Catch it fire. Yo, I'm gonna know the liar. Catch it fire. Yo, got the food that we cook. Catch it fire. Yo, I want them to some chicken alliance. Man, this sexy love for French and appliance.
Watch it mix right now.
In this hour I hope you get yourself a gun. Man I go dead I hope you get yourself a gun. Half I wanna hope you get yourself a gun. No run again I hope you get yourself a gun. Chichi Alliance hope you get yourself a gun. Chichi Taliban get yourself a gun. You a bad man Chichi man get yourself a gun. Man I go
listen now.
My fire on the wall of them.
Me not make no friend from. You see them old school tune night Friday.
Could I know them let me rot it. Through them with karate. Praise King Selassie, you are the I sent minority. Now you let me rot it. Through them with karate. Rock with my sword and the first water khaki. Do not let me rot it. Through them with karate. Here Rastafari, you are the golden monarchy. Do not get me rot it. Through them with karate.
Lord. You see when me say go up in I juggling? You see when me say go up in I juggling, that me a talk about. Let me tell you about the live vibes crew. You see every time we touch the road in I big line night, know this.
When youngsters touch the road, the clip them load, bring touch the cloud, I'm very proud. Gunshot, burn them skin like the song me sing when me done with him. David Anchor want him now.
You know why we not fi play with we? You know why them not fi play with we?
So when them calling,
until we not play enough time, know this.
Tell them, man a bad man, so me no friend fish. Tell them a pet flat bullet, me take kill and fish. Come speak me man clear, me not pretend fish. Them a chase like 7-day Adventist. Don't me tell them shut up, but them insist. Him a chat like him papa is a dentist. Oh, him a bad man, but him
Them no got nothing for show we, yeah. Woo! Guns are to get your neck drop down cold. Pulse to head, make out your mouth. Oh, me no response for your soul. Me and me guns, them are roll. Guns are to get your neck drop down cold. Bullets to head, make it bust out your mouth. Oh, me no response for your soul. Me and me guns, them are roll.
Alright. People may try reach a 5K likes, so don't just over here so I look on top of the screen. I Miss Juicy alone at work. Oh.
This man from 90s, Machiavelli make you know what a hollow pint is. Boy, never mind him of mortal business. Rev out your life like 7 series. Dancer we shot you, fi tell him where the
I had seats. And he had seats.
Gonna AK sing like Leroy sing.
And he had seats.
This man from 50s and 40s.
Make glad that throwback quick, because we have to go talk about that.
Let's tie now, walk with no feds guy. Bust it in a feast, did it look like when eggs fry. This fan
that appreciate the likes. Wait a Miss Grippy, blood clot. So over YouTube we are jump. People over here, the link is in the bio. The link is in the bio. We're taking attendance on YouTube. You can't turn on the camera on the Pundai. Appreciate the likes. I appreciate the likes. Make we get active, make we get active, make we get active like this. People will jump in ship. The link is in the bio. The link is in the bio. I want to light me split, but I can't light it over here. So come over YouTube, please. Forward, no. Miss Grippy! Oh my God. Let me see how we do it. Yeah, I go on that thing already, you know. I try to be professional, but she go on with herself. Miss Grippy, so here we go on. The link in my bio, right? And that's my YouTube channel. And that's my YouTube channel. So right now, go there, go subscribe. We're live over there. So we can't smoke over here, so we can't smoke over YouTube. So follow over there right now. We're going to end this. You want to say something? Oh, you want to say Alright. We got you. Alright. Yo, ladies, right now, if you know I look for a man with only for sugar, ladies, me have an uncle. Just in fresh, just land. He might look at us, so buy everything. Him set, him just need to go. Link me. You subscribe, Miss Grippy? Alright, yeah, alright. Miss Grippy, I appreciate you so much for the likes and all this. But when me telling you say jump, yeah, I'm a college, you don't know, Brockport, shout out, Brockport. So when I said jump, Miss Grippy and everybody in the chat, we're jumping. As soon as the camera go live on YouTube, we're jumping. So, yeah. Make we go into the old school juggling right now for the girl them.
From a wake up, start smoke. Weed smoke in my throat. The boy can't say me take coke.
Make we talk it that way, yeah? Alright. All ganja man in attendance right now. When you wake up and read your psalms and pray to God, what the next move? Make we tell them.
Me a bill up and big head, split bigger than the pillar in a me bed.
Not true. Give me a little more volume in the studio. The speaker sound low.
So that me have to take off me fitted, play down with a woman and get a quick everybody have to say adi a sicket, back on it. Me want another split? Yes, G. Is $1,000 back this? Yes, G.
Tell them go suck them up.
Why me just a kill me?
Who don't hear them custom mix your people? Who don't hear them mix your?
The last one.
Here our DJ Bucket a go on.
You give me direction. Take me to a place I've never been. Why do I invite you in my life?
You see that tune there right now?
But you give me direction. Excitement and affection. The more I
Nobody hear from Dr. Soa.
The more I want. Yo, me good with you. Yo, listen, let me chat to a people.
Yo, that tune the body, no pull up that tune the book.
You lie, for me never get to spend time with you. Jump and sleep after 12 and me dying feel your cup, we spend more time with you. Hurry up, cut it up and light it up. A little grabber that to nice it up. And I'm a liquor plus a split, you just a go turn up the vibes, you know. Then you grabber, you don't like, you know. Just
nobody think you know about DJ Road now, you know.
Right now, me hype, you know.
I'm looking for you, but the DJ. If you work at the Live Vibe studio. Boy, you can't book DJ. You can't book DJ on a weird night and rebook. Come to you. Save yourself. You can't book nothing on a weird night. Come to it. Rich in a cream.
But right now, me want another split. Yes, G. 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 Me want another split. Yes, G.
Go on, one. Hear me, I say the link in the bio right now, you know, go subscribe over YouTube there. Subscribe.
Me want another split. Yes, G. Me want another split.
Subscribe.
Me want another split.
Subscribe.
Me want another
Watch out. If you like the vibe. If you like the vibe, subscribe. All right, go so.
Me want another split. Somebody go call father. Me want another split. Somebody go call father. Me want another split. Me want another split. Me want another split.
What is that now? Hey. Shout out Skillbank passed to Rochester last week. But sure.
They want smoke some of the grenade. It grab enough it too hot, just a little bit. Split big no blood clot, want fuck up my chest. Me have to cough now. Have them blood clot weed and me a talk about. Split longer than my finger when the pain not like this. When me smoke the weed in a brain sort out. Some split for taste weed alone. Punch me in my face, all me good. Bet the blue fizz kick your brain and enough for rampant grenade grade. You will kiss your grave. Lungs are fear. Buy your weed, no go away. As me jump out of my sleep.
Oh, what is style now? After we get the $100 split. Listen this.
Well, my friend them a tell me about the bus from West where them bring from the corner.
Why? All ganja man in attendance right now. Light.
West.
People right now, the link is in the bio. If you like the vibe, subscribe. We're going live. We're live. We are take attendance over YouTube, you know. We are take attendance. How the chat look over there?
Hey, first me a chat.
The chat active. Ready, go so.
Well, my friend them a tell me about the bus from West where them
bring from the corner.
So them rap it in a 2050.
Yeah, 100. Whoa.
Me like one like me new to the team, yeah. Me like one like me food to the team.
Oh, remember the first time when I take a draw one good piece of weed.
Give me up with perfect.
It's up just up.
Won't catch me breath, but me can't catch me breath. Come my chest plate, that's a check.
Perfect.
So me perfect again. Him say pass it, me say no.
Everybody we are passed through right now. Remember the link is in the bio. VYBZ Friday each and every Friday 9 p.m. YouTube link is in the bio. We go live. Fully active.
Wake up big, so that the nickel at the night and tell him to go help me go walk it. Let's see if me catch him in the love like the chocolate room. Yeah, me make a link and a market. Tell Kiki say we walk with me one place, come me want hear me heart.
40 pound, hey. Me go downtown, I buy a clocks. And while me a try a clocks, me see the high grade, higher pass. The high grade, the Roma. Mash up me head, make me higher cash. Yeah, the clocks money, you me spend it off. And roll it in my head space, me send it off. And me the I, so I. Come me roll it up, I'm perfect.
S.I.E. my bad virgin, why pray?
Can't catch a breath, but me can't catch a breath. Got me chest plate, the such a.
Why pray in here?
So me buff it again. Them say boss, we say no, me a buff it again.
Like we say, people, the link is in the bio with the badness.
Just it again. Come in need this to inhale and exhale. Me have no 5 grade, me now save it for your next day. Doctor them take a X-ray. And so me lungs them black like the ashtray. Yeah, but me now stop puffing. So it's up with knife and cutlass. I know me woman a complain what kind of love this.
Dog, if you can't buy Rizla, you know it's smoke cranny.
Oi!
Warm up the grabber like me, that was rap.
Like me say, people. Alright, you see everybody over here that's liking the live. Go on, juggle, man. Wicked, give about 10 more minutes time we start. People over here that's liking the live, please, the link is in the bio. For my channel, you know TikTok love going with himself when we go on with this with the holy part. You know, them thing they where the song I talk about. You know me head dog, hot grabber bus in me head dog. Go over YouTube so we can burn the hot grabber. They can't do it over here so. We live over there, the link in my bio. Wanna go subscribe and over there come back over here and say present and then we go jump ship.
While with the better we there. Vital with the better we there. Make a stop up a skinny and then we go walk kiki. Spend money on grades, me not do the free school. Me not join B-word, no green leaf. Just the high grade in my head, my pretty.
All real herbalists right now. Listen this.
Spend my money on good trade. Me not spend money on bullshit. Me move fast just like gold foot speed.
What's the style now?
Yeah, man, I for clean with the weed and damn shit.
If you wanna go over the YouTube, go subscribe. That's one. DJ Bucket, the people them say you go with a bag of things in the youth. You come like a big herbalist about you, so you know youth. But everybody say you're bad.
$100 million, $100 million.
Everybody.
$100 million. Fuck a girl in her mouth, night coat.
Shut down.
Invest some money, I'm time in you. But all this time I've been a PFS, love this time. One move forward, but can't come stuck.
Passing through right now, man. Appreciate you passing through. Just drop a like, and after you do a like, link is in the bio. Wildlife over there. Live Vibes TV each and every Friday. We go live at 9 p.m. on YouTube. I'm about to end this live right now, so if you're present in this chat, the link is in my bio. You see how the show finish. But I think I'm here alone there. See my DJ there, so. Let me show you what's going on. I think a joke thing. Them think a joke thing. Them think a joke thing. When I think a joke. Let's have a think a joke.
Check.
Hold over there yet?
Check.
You don't know my YouTube yet? On over there yet?
Yeah, alright.
Alright.
Check.
Like the vibe, subscribe.
And if you like the vibe, subscribe.
Fucking time.
And them juggling the way to talk about. YouTube link is in the bio, people. We live.
Coffee white, them legit. Bomb box. Since I talk about white, coffee white says the box. Mr. Tell us enough to pull up, but I have to pull up. I'm sorry.
I buy a thing on the part.
Yeah, I mean about the DJ. Yeah.
I buy a thing, but I tune the name sound I like. That alright.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yep.
Alright.
Yep. The DJ have a pull up. Yo, one up there already now. Yeah.
People passing through. We're live on YouTube right now. The link is in the bio. We are going all our vibes. Vibes Friday. We soon in the live. We are go over YouTube. We make a go out with the badness. So we jump in ship right now. Just let me see you on the YouTube chat. We go on the YouTube.
Get it again. Work, DJ, work. Oh, go on.
We met again. For 1 million fucking time. Million fucking time.
All right.
Yeah, all done.
Chat. It's a Throwback Edition.
Mix the Red Bull with the white rum. Nigga, they want to darkness like night. Come grab a game and crazy sweet like life. Make a boy want it to drink my love. Where respect? Mix the Red Bull with the white rum. The white rum with the white rum. The white rum with the white rum. The white rum, the white rum. Bumbo blood. Special, yeah.
I wonder if the boy know what kind of juggling I want right now, DJ. Yo, chat. It's a Throwback Edition, okay? So get used to this shit. All right, now. Ready?
Let me see where I'm going with the best.
Chat, y'all ready?
Alright, bucket, walk on.
Mix the Red Bull with the white rum. Make a day about the darkness like night. Come grab a weed, make you lose weight like life. But lick a boy one I can drink my love. When I say mix the Red Bull with the white rum. The white rum.
Right, that's all.
White rum.
The
white rum. The white rum. Special, yeah. We not alcohol, grab a stink like when I be the John Coban. Big up the man that long a west way up on the farm. Them send a couple pounds for me, couple for ambition. That time me brother save a smoke so till we not no liver. The way the grab a hat, me pon it right beside the river. Pass me like I make me squeeze it like a stick sugar. And when the sun come out, a split a fire ball ya bigger. Did they give a fuck about a nigga? Fuck your girl, I send her to you.
You wanna mic?
Mix the Red Bull with the white rum. Make a day about the darkness like night. Come grab a weed, make you lose weight like life. But lick a boy one I to drink my love. When we say mix the Red Bull with the white rum. The white rum.
Ready?
The white rum.
If you have played that beat, you don't know say you have to play the original, you know.
Special, yeah. Burn it up in the attic or the lobby when I feel down. Pick me up like a caddy and my bunny with little vibes and little laddie and my bunny with me caddy.
It don't work, you just need to clear it. Careful.
Can you hold and can you win? Come back with her. It's a habit of feeling a ball and keep it up. You move like a coke and you get to kick it out. No. She gave me down a little rough to try some. She tell me that I had my grandson, me I go lie down. So me sneaking my girlfriend, you ring the wine come. Me happy like light come. Red Bull with the white rum. Make a day about the darkness like night. Come grab a weed, make you lose weight like life. But lick a boy go on and have to drink my love.
Anyway, everyone in woman have to come.
The party get drastic. Get some street vibes, run from tactic. Get some silver, look up in the plastic. Barbie.
Somebody get ice, not nice. Get the white, the red, the overproof, the tonic wine. Come on.
Everywhere we party. People want to make the Gaza one so happy.
Street vibes from as much me mix up in my cup. Cranberry, the Magnum, a tonic up. Look the way I was so much girl. Some for me, some you black right now. Anyway, me rolling, woman have to come. Every girl invite me, not left out none. Touch the girl that banner, but no. Now she, the brown one with the board down. In a dance, the vibes can down. We living, pull on that stuff, fast, fast. Oh, you make the top them done when more rum come.
Somebody get eyes, not nice. Make me soon drop emoji, who no like vibes. Bumbo clock down the bus.
Party, everywhere we party.
People want to you, I make the Gaza man so
happy. Street vibes from as much me mix up in my cup. Cranberry, the magnum, a tonic up. Look the way I so much gal I go.
Some for me, some for me.
We go, girl in the keep on top.
Alright, what you know? What you know?
If my boyfriend go, me see girl a wine fast.
I ain't a slow people, yeah. I do the limbo.
Clean up the cons in row. Street vibes up. We are drink that street vibes. Posting
I read the chat when I rewatch. I go home. I don't read the chat. I vibe with the chat. I know
we can see the chat on the line.
The chat is on, you know?
But not on the screen.
Because it kind of have a delay. So like them, I know I know the answer to the question from.
Girls have a carry on.
I don't really realize that. I think the wife might kind of flow, you know.
Yo, that one day, sneak up your fuck.
Yeah, I
two shot me ear for you.
Yeah, yeah. Go ahead, I joking.
The building we bought from street vibes, there's the girl.
Larry, your time, you know, MC, your time.
Come with Kitten in the first year. Nice.
That's a hot seat, bro.
See them up in the juggling. When we talk about up in the juggling, a third gear bucket, so right now, what's your gear switch?
So we turn up your beat. A million and up your cheese bed. Mama, me love your needs. Bubble tea, tougher than a 33. Yo, so we burn up your weekend. So we turn up your weekend. Complete everybody in the weekend. When you feel it, that's the
It's a vibes party. Man and no man come for me to have fun. Every dancer dance till them need feel now. We no need no gun. It's a vibes party. Money in my pocket, me a spender. Straight by the case, me a sender. She surrender. It's a vibes party. When me walk, anywhere the party, they so me not pass. Everybody. Come on.
That's all I got.
You understand, everybody? Activity time was set.
You know what your face and no bed. Everybody na the dance propeller over your head. Now, I don't when them a feed them. Everybody na the dance propeller over your head. No, you never know this. Like no bread. Everybody na the dance propeller over your head. Girl now cover with your face like spread. Everybody na the dance propeller over your head.
Girl me up, get it, when me up, set it, when me up, set it. Them a fit us, head it, nickel and me, shed it, like a nana, set it. Girl come out when me baba roots and stunk out me up, set it, little wicked, take it, tell her me up, wreck it, calabara, let it, very no, check it, they are the magnetic, make that.
Tell the ladies, listen to the party.
And me confirm, you better confirm, you say that it's solid. You wiggle and turn, you say out the worm, to ocean your man.
When you go check your girl, you know after hours and you drink your baba roots, Bucky, when you pull up on her, what go on?
Many drop, we solid as a rock.
When you see your girl strip naked, what happen?
But we solid as a rock.
Alright.
We eyes to the top, and we solid as a rock. Looking forward, never pop. How we solid as a rock.
Me no dead. Here rumors spread, but me no dead. Tell them me a go live till me a 200.
More live.
More money, more wife.
Buckler, the bandit, they took your job. They took your job. When you start hanging out with Bucky?
More money, more wife, more life. No more lane, no more strife, more life. Both more touch overdrive. Me a destiny child.
Listen.
They dem a say me get few shot. Me no 15 or 2 pack. Me roll with
yeah. One time, 2 times, 3 times. Turn up, jig. Jig. Lay. One time.
It's a stranger. Tell them keep running like train.
2 times.
More life, more money, more wife, more life. No more lane, no more
undercover artist, undercover.
More touch overdrive. Me a destiny child. Cause me have to survive. More life, more money, more wife.
More life.
No more lane, no more strife. More life, more touch overdrive. Me a destiny child.
Dr. Sour. He's on the way. No, sir. Make sure y'all smash that like button. Smash the like. Smash. More life. Get it. Switch the cam. Instagram handle in the chat right now, please.
Hyundai, no audio.
All right, V6, Bunny Tool, I can't stop. Oh, we're not getting audio?
Can't hear no audio.
No audio?
No audio on the people.
For you?
The chat is active too, though.
What they say?
The chat is active.
Check the audio. Hold on.
Yeah, go on again.
Mic check.
Yeah, now we active now.
I think of that camera here.
Yeah, that camera.
Yes,
so here what you got to do. I got you. Let's add the zoom to that capture device. You good?
Yeah.
All right. Respect, G. Respect. That's what I'm talking about. Shout out to you, G, for that.
So what we was just saying, y'all, in case y'all ain't know, if you need a DJ for your parties, your events, whatever it may be, we about to drop his handle right now. DJ Bucket on the 1s and 2s. Y'all hear it? He got the slow groove, slow grind. He got the R&B. He got the rap. They already know the reggae on Smash.
Yeah. Rumboss International.
International.
Hey boy, get it right, you know. Get it right here, come on.
Oh yeah, do audition for Box Boy?
No, I've been past that stage. That's a Portland days, because Portland crew don't know about this come down.
Hey, what the drinks at?
Bring box.
The what?
What the drinks at?
The rum, right?
The rum, that's a brother.
No.
That's
right, nephew. No.
Yeah. But
I got a party tomorrow.
That's tomorrow, today.
Yeah, that's true.
I just got on the court though. I really need some water.
What? I want to go on, you know.
Yeah.
Hey, where y'all tuned in from?
Some people in the studio drink tea.
I was about to say that earlier, but they the producer, that's production.
On a Friday night, it's not going to make me reconsider me like on a Friday night you're drinking a hot cup of tea.
I ain't gonna lie.
Me even want toast this weekend.
You can't.
They drinking tea?
Listen now, that's production now.
That's true.
Big up production crew. Production crew is active. You know what I'm saying?
Ray.
Yeah.
So where y'all checking in from? That's what I want to know though. Where y'all checking in? Let us know where y'all checking in the box right now in the chat.
Everybody
Let
in
us
the
know
chat.
where y'all tuning in from. Whether you home team 585, whether you down in Miami 305, whether you out there in the suburbs in Greece. Dr. Sai, I got you. Hold on. Yeah. Treat time.
Yo.
All right, Dr. Sai is here.
Yo, production.
I'm gonna pass the mic. But y'all hit that share button. Make sure you subscribe. You already know. It's Live Vibes Friday. One time.
Hey, I will book him.
If you like the vibes,
we can't see
people that was Mr. All In.
Why? This man got a whole
podcast network right now, and you don't know what to say. He the reason why Live Vibes is possible.
That's what I'm
and
saying.
Still going and been going.
Yo, put that right down.
Shouts out to you, Mr. All In. We needed that. For the throwback week, he pulled up and say, let's show y'all what Live Vibes is really about. He definitely did that just now. Yeah, he definitely did that just now.
Hold on.
Good, John. Everybody in the building, yo, live.
Yo, production. Hold on.
Yeah.
I got to walk
Turn
in.
that speaker down.
I'm a little bit late, but I walked in and I got to hear
9.
Bucket going
Turn that
crazy.
speaker down.
I got to hear Mr. All In going crazy. Where the fuck that came from? What y'all?
Oh no.
Who booked? Y'all booked him? That's great. He flew in for this?
Flew in.
Booked in. I'm always booked. Oh,
Yeah,
see,
we
I
ain't
know.
looking.
I know he flew in for this.
Yeah,
That's crazy,
from
yo.
Miami, bro.
That's
He flew
crazy,
in.
Yo. All right.
He repping Miami tonight.
That's wild. But you know what it is, man. We back at it again, Jay.
Yeah, as always, bro. We never stop. We here faithfully every Friday. What happened? People in the chat, let us know when we about to switch the camera angles.
Now we go. I got audio. I'll check it.
Yeah. We soon know. Make we know if we can hear it still. We do a check real quick.
I need a cup. We got cups out here?
No, come here, gonna need some of that to come here drink some rum tonight. We just how we do a quick audio check chat. Quick what Steve? Bumbo clot. I'm glad they didn't switch, car. Yeah, I'm glad they switch, car.
You good? You still hear it?
I feel like we can still hear.
We clear?
I feel like we're good. Yeah, we're good.
We're active, man. We're active on audio.
We're fully active. Yeah, man,
can we use that mic or turn that because that's gonna
get rid of this one?
Yeah. Check, yeah.
Hold the mic. Do I need to hold the mic?
You don't need to. If you wanna, that's why you're gonna be picked up on that one. You loud, you loud enough, bro.
Yeah. So like I say, you ready? We ready? We here.
Kawa.
All right, people.
Live vibe.
All right, give me that intro, there, Bookie. Give me that intro. There. You know what me I gonna do?
All right.
This is a new thing.
Yeah.
We have to do just like last week. We have to do one of them little freestyle every week.
Hey.
Yeah. All right.
No. He in the hot seat, so we ain't gonna really do you like that. You know what I'm saying? So we gotta let that seat cool off a little bit. Yeah.
On ready?
Yeah, don't say nothing wild, yo. Don't say nothing wild.
All right. Ready. You know, like the vibes on the Friday night. You know, like the vibes on the Friday night. You know, like the vibes on the Friday night. Please big new subscribe.
Alright, gonna like the vibe, subscribe. Alright, gonna like the vibe, subscribe. In the chat. Like the vibe, subscribe. If you like the vibe, subscribe. True about it. If you like the vibe, subscribe.
Friday night, you better make sure you subscribe.
Alright.
Better make sure you subscribe. Like the vibes on a Friday night, you better make sure you subscribe.
Unlike.
We go live at 9.
Alright.
At 9 we going live.
Alright. Bumbo cry.
I got nothing.
Hey, I don't know you. Hold on. The last person I told to stop right there?
Yeah.
Hey, I seen the clip.
Yeah.
What?
I need to know. It shouldn't be no farther than here.
Right here?
I seen the clip.
All right. Nah, this kind of messed up, so I can't really hold
You
it.
even do some takeoff ad-libs.
No.
There you go.
All right. Listen. Listen. The last person sat there, man. I tried. That was my son. I wanted to disown that motherfucker.
Yeah, that was wild, bro.
I've seen it.
I didn't though.
I set him up.
First of all,
it wasn't no setup.
that was no setup, bro.
No setup.
Before we even, alright, see,
I felt bad, bro. I was like, yo,
Mute me real quick.
Before set him up.
Before we even get there,
Put that.
people,
Mute
you
my
don't know
mic real
this is
quick so I
Vice
fix
Friday
it.
each and every Friday. Thanks for tuning in. Who's been tuning in? This your boy Gallus J.
Dr. Sour.
Larry.
L.A. Larry, yo.
I don't know, Mr. Arlen was here with the pre-vibes DJ bucket earlier with the ones on trees. That mixed it earlier. They have Mia dance, Mr. Arlen. They have a bandit all over there make up something. I don't know him in a fan flyer or some shit. It look like he over there Vogue, honestly. But people, Vibes Friday. Wagwan, everybody.
Chillin', man. What's good, man?
Wagwan.
Y'all love when Larry be in the building because he be saying the wildest shit.
People,
right.
it's throwback week, people. It's throwback
Larry
week.
here.
But before we get
You're
into
good, DJ.
that, we're there go and vibe out. So,
What's that, bro?
oh, that. Oh, more tea.
Why you, bro? We already got somebody drinking tea on set, bro. Why you bringing more tea on set? Put that shit away.
That's crazy, son.
Man, on some Kodak Black.
Right? Like, what the fuck, bro?
Man, there's a glitch for the Twitch.
No.
You don't need no tea.
What's wrong with this man? What's wrong with this man? What's wrong with this man?
Yo, that's crazy. All right, people, what are we checking? People in the chat, how y'all been? How y'all week
I'm
go?
on papers on January 24th, son. You know how lit it is? Y'all better hope it's not a Friday.
What you mean? What's that supposed to mean?
Yeah, I was just about
I'm
to ask
young,
what that
guy.
means.
You gotta film.
I'm
Pause.
I'm no longer on papers.
What that's supposed to mean? Y'all go back to school?
Probation. I am no longer on probation.
Oh, yeah, I just went on probation.
Thank you, man.
I should have translated.
I don't think it was really an age thing with that.
Shit. I mean, it's either an age thing or or an age thing.
On papers,
So-
somebody asked me if me think I made it illegal.
Right. I mean, me like 2 years, no me there.
Well, I'm officially on papers.
Right.
You just got your green card, that's what you're saying?
Oh. So it's not an age, it's a culture thing, buddy.
Yeah.
That's what that is.
I ain't wanna bring it there, but that's why I say age or age.
That's what I was like. I thought you said you been here.
I thought you was from here.
Yo. On what?
There you go.
Car?
Mr. Arlen just got off for payments.
Okay.
Leave it at that.
His credit about to go down.
He just cleared a credit card.
Wow.
Nah, that shit go down first, don't it? When you finish paying off a card, that shit go down first?
Nah, we pay it up, go up.
Well,
It's going up.
No.
I think it takes.
Your limit go up, right?
I missed the 700.
I'm about to say it takes time. Like, it go down, but then it takes time to go up.
He said, I'm about to go get a helicopter.
Okay.
You probably got one. You probably already got one.
Private jet.
Nah, what's good though, man? So we back at it, man. Another Friday, man. What's up, man? We gonna put some cups in the air? What we doing?
I got it.
What's the order of agenda, man? We doing our check-ins?
Yeah, we doing that check.
Let's check in, man.
We're checking with the chat first. How y'all doing in the chat?
Shot, what's up, man? How y'all feeling? How was y'all week?
But at the same time, while we checking in the chat, yeah, let's start off with LA, because he ain't been here in a minute.
Yeah, man.
Did you?
Shh. How the writer life, yo?
It is struggling at this moment.
You a struggling writer?
Yeah, how's
No, I've been doing a lot of work and doing a lot of overtime on events.
Yeah, how's Comic-Con?
Comic-Con. That was Comic-Con. What are we talking about? So a dream come?
Dream
That
Con.
was like
That was mad long.
I was hearing that for that.
He got the tickets for the new one.
Yeah, I got the new ones. Yeah, I was trying to tell you.
Yeah, I saw they just dropped the it was like 2 days ago they dropped.
No, it was today. It was today.
Oh, it's today?
Last one was today. I sent you the shit.
Bruh. I've been at work all day, man.
I know. When you said you was busy, I was like, I know you didn't see it. Oh yeah. Working, security guard.
Me get
fun. Should be a long time ago.
Oh, we good.
Legal cable.
Yeah, that's something good.
So Larry, your week was alright, man?
Yeah, I'm good. It was alright.
Struggling because it's a lot of work, or struggling because you ain't getting to work?
He done told me some crazy shit.
Hours, so by the time that I get home, I'm like, I'm done dealing with people and stuff like that. So I gotta, I'm getting back into it. I'm setting goals and plans to.
Seriously.
That don't work.
Bro, why we got on the table, bro?
You know how you was telling me about why you couldn't answer the call when we was having the meeting?
Oh yeah. No, it was. I was about to answer the call, and I got a call over the walkie. It was like to come to the front, and I didn't hear it because I had music in one of my ears. I'm like, all right, whatever. And then I get to the front, and some drunk dude was yelling and stuff like that. Because we do events afterwards, and they'll serve alcohol, whatever, stuff like
they be
that.
getting lit.
Yeah, so this dude dude was drunk, yelling at my boss and stuff. So I pretty much had to diffuse that.
Oh, you fully punched him in the mouth?
No. I tried to peacefully diffuse it.
You karate kicked him?
No, peacefully. That's not peaceful if I punch him.
I mean, if you kick him, it's not the same as punch him.
I just pretty much ushered him out, but it was okay. It was.
So it didn't get physical.
But you know, when you was telling me, you see some shit as a security, right?
Yeah. Even the crazy thing is, I work at a museum.
But you know what, Larry? Listen,
that's a crazy
somebody asked this question. Asked that question to a security guard. What's the craziest shit they ever seen? I'm gonna tell you what the security guard said, but first tell me your craziest shit you ever seen.
No, I don't got nothing that crazy yet.
Yeah.
But but I've definitely.
Yeah, these don't work.
I've definitely had some
people. They're like too small.
Older people.
If you put it, it's gonna keep popping.
Try to kidnap you.
Yeah.
Give what I'm saying.
See, I was testing audio. So you said you were security for old people?
No,
you said a museum.
My security, boom.
But they do special events after.
Shout out. He do security at Smith.
You an armed security?
Nah, no, not yet. No, I'm working on getting my armed security though.
Okay.
The Smithsonian side?
Yeah, they know. I hope they might pay a lot though.
Now security is a good.
What is a free?
What?
It's a.
Yeah, what is the system?
All right.
Smith. Bucky going
You say.
That's all the ink.
I was trying to help you, motherfucker.
You say. I was thinking about.
I was trying to help you. The fuck?
How you say? Is it Smithsonian?
Smithsonian. No, Smith.
Smith.
That's what I said. Smith.
Yeah,
no,
Smithsonian. Smith. You can't tell you off the top, brother.
Yeah,
Smithsonian.
Will Smith.
Damn.
All right. You're not gonna bully my brother. You're not gonna bully my brother. No. Let's get this right. Jay, I got you. Smithsonian.
So they can't say Smith, huh?
What do you mean we can't say Smith?
What the fuck I just said?
How we just do?
We're not putting no favors. I try to scroll past. Let me put this out there. I try to scroll past this. I try to keep it going. They kept talking.
Hey boy, Jay.
You say
stand up for your flag, you know. The boy them try this, so you know.
Smith.
See, Larry racist. Larry racist.
Pudai. You say Smith.
He looking for help.
Wait, hold on. Say it. Smith. Yeah, he said it.
They don't want me to say
Y'all faking. That's
who faking? Come on, man.
Larry just called you out. You're faking.
Yeah, I program him. I try to program him.
Yo, that's crazy. Yo, where does Larry get off, yo?
Pudai said it.
He called you out. You're faking. That's crazy.
I didn't think you're faking.
I ain't hear that part.
Yeah. In my car, we fake. And we are pronounced all the time in that word.
Yeah, we pronounce it all the time.
For no
y'all
fucking
adding
reason.
some shit.
I want S in a Smith.
The fuck?
That's what
how y'all make it have 3 S's? Say it again. That's more than 1 S. What the fuck you whispering for it then?
Them say
Smith.
Them say English. I want to have
what's
this
that
language
for?
learn, yeah. You better believe it.
Smith.
Smith, brother.
I'm not gonna argue with y'all, man. Listen. I have.
But like that, you stress me out.
Listen here, man.
Oh.
Here, man. I ain't gonna argue.
He's really stressing me out.
So Larry went on with this conversation, not me. Larry said something about this conversation, not me.
I'm not even going. You know what? Let him have it.
Anyway, we did point topic of security story.
Like I said, like the only thing most I had was drunk old women just filling up on me. That was it. That's
Whoa.
the craziest part.
Whoa. You ain't just
scroll past
that. Yeah, you ain't about to do that.
You ain't about to speed past that.
You ain't about to speed past that, bro.
Well, was it about
Nah.
Larry is hilarious. Yo, I love that Larry is hilarious.
They old ladies be touching over like this, your arm like that.
Bro, don't get straight on me.
All right, Larry.
I'm just saying,
Well,
I'm like,
Mike.
man, I don't know you, but have a nice night.
What's the craziest pickup line they ever used on you?
Nah, I ain't get no pickup lines.
So they just straight up assaulted you, bro?
No, it just be like conversation, and they just be touching you like your arms and chest and stuff.
All right,
Man, I don't know you.
hey, any of them ever touch you and you be like, one of them be like, hey now.
You ever asked how the credit looking? I'll be on that time at work. I'll definitely be on that time at work. Like if an old lady trying to get at me and I see and she give me a card to pay, I'll try to see what kind of card she got.
They
Okay.
like, they definitely
All
have,
right.
like rich clients and stuff like that they serve. Like they have parties for, like law people and stuff like a whole bunch of lawyers and stuff. But every time I'm like, hey, lady, what's your credit score? I'm like,
you might be
I'm going to be a BMW. Who are you?
Larry don't there Leo with the old man. Can I help you with your bags, ma'am? Oh, head ass. Let me get the door for you.
Nah, I'm polite as hell.
Yeah, man, I gotta open 2 doors. You stupid. You Larry crazy. Larry, I tell Agnes to watch out for you in the car. But anyway, so let me tell you. So I was scrolling and they asked a security guy what's the craziest shit he ever saw. This man said he was obviously at a club working, and they said there was a fight outside. He said he rushed outside. By the time he broke the crowd and got to the center, it was a guy and a transmission fighting.
All right.
And after he said by the time he could grab the transmission, he said they threw a right hook so clean and knocked the guy out. And the guy fell, and after the guy fell, the dude took off his dick's tape.
Oh, okay.
And put his meat on the guy's face.
Wow.
I heard something like that too.
Where the fuck? Where did you see that?
Yo, that's
I'm good at that.
cool,
And
yo.
so
He was like,
this is what you want.
And and the dude, I remember somebody saying the dude was like, I should have stopped it, but I
But
didn't.
yeah, he backed up.
I didn't know what to do at that point.
Yep, that's the same story.
And I think about it, if I was put in that same situation,
Oh my God.
I don't know what I would do. I feel bad for it, dude, but I don't want to get involved at this point. Somebody's thinking
I'm not involved in myself. That's on y'all now, bro.
I didn't go to school for this.
I don't got. Yeah, this is not what I'm not trained for this situation.
This is not me. This is not my life.
That's why you cannot fight day.
Yo,
this
bro,
is why
I wouldn't dare.
This is a clean lesson of why you gotta
dare.
be careful to who you talk to, because some people who look soft and look sweet, they ain't.
Bro,
they got hands.
Anybody from the alphabet community, I'm not fighting.
Sugar Ray for real.
I'm not putting no hands on nobody from the alphabet community at all, yo. Do not want that problem at all.
Alphabet community is crazy.
Even a Napoleon Dynamite looking motherfucker, he be like, hey, he might be the most deadliest dude in the room.
What? Motherfuckers might know MMA on your ass.
That's the thing.
Or roundhouse kick your ass. You be like, what the fuck?
You know, they say Bucky Kane got that super strength.
Shit crazy, bro.
Yo, funny story, yo. When I was younger, I think Mr. All-In was there for it too. A real brief story, yo. We was at Grease Ridge Mall, and when they used to have an arcade in there in the food court area, and it was a person with mental disabilities on that.
Was there.
Huh?
The Mom Squad.
Yeah. And so they was on the dance machine. Like that dance, you remember they had the dancing game where you could dance on the pad and shit?
Okay. Yeah.
That shit. So they was on that. So that I got with next to him, not even paying no attention, just trying to be funny and start doing the shit too.
Yeah.
Like copying a nigga type shit. When I tell you this boy pushed the fuck out of me, like the push where your head like jerk like that, bro.
Whiplash.
Like, boy. And I wanted to hit him, but I was like, yo, like, and they was like, nah, bro, you can't even do it.
Oh,
You can't even do it, bro. You
shit.
can't do it, yo. And I don't think you want to do it. I don't think that's the issue.
So hold on, it was a. We are here, man. You know, we are here. Oh, you want to tell the story?
Hold on, y'all, because he's not telling y'all the full story. Hold on.
Yeah.
Hold on.
Because I just thought about this shit.
No,
yo.
wait. First of all, no, before you start.
The movement, because you know you got it.
Yeah.
He pushed the retarded man.
All right. No, careful with that. What the fuck is wrong with all Ollie, yo, can you pass that? Can
Yo,
you take
it's
that from
funny.
me, please?
It's funny because you probably don't remember that shit till just now.
Production.
So you lied and you say you ain't push him, and you pushed him.
No, I didn't push him.
Oh man.
But he basically pushed him with the way his feet is moving. Like, remember, that's the game where you got to tap dancing. So imagine somebody that don't want to lose, that is challenged in some shape, way, or form.
They doing extra
pushed,
to win.
and they looking extra and shit, trying to keep up to the point that they basically
and you mess up the momentum.
Oh, so you threw him off.
Man, bro,
he pushed them. Put it like this: you should only go to 100%. They pushed that human being to 200%.
Damn.
Oh, so you dear thought you was hyping him up.
I was just playing, son. I thought I was being funny. Honestly, I didn't even pay no attention. I'm a kid. I'm a fucking teenager, yo. I'm like, y'all see me, right? Y'all see me?
Wow. See, that's why.
Could be me.
All right, man. Enough of that, yo. Let's move it on. Bucky, how your week was, man?
Nah, my week was smooth. Week. I know you're supposed to be here. My promotion officer is probably watching, but my there. That's all.
Your promotion?
Just using my probation officer. Yo, move on, brother. Bumbo clock and I'm to the fence, brother. Man, you some week, good man. Me no thief, nothing.
My week's been okay. I worked and just worked and set up for this.
Okay. Bucket.
All the price we good.
Man's a few words. Now, you know what that yoke said?
First of all,
that yoke said I had a good week, had some food.
Nah. Big up the DJ now, cause right now.
Job is good. That's that yoke all set right there. Y'all just not listening.
The DJ up on a 14-hour shift right now. Yeah.
Hell no,
My week was cold.
Yeah,
it was cold as a
Yo,
bitch.
the place cold, bad man. If you go outside right now, I dare you.
I won't.
Bro. But
You know it's crazy though. It's supposed to go up to like 40 next week, so we good. No, it's not supposed to. It definitely is. Nah, about 3 days out of week, man. Yo, 40 right now is summertime, bro. It's Rochester. What are you talking about?
Bro, remember last year?
Come on now.
Snow on Christmas.
Huh? Yeah, right. Thanksgiving, yeah, it didn't.
We're probably not gonna get snow till February.
Global warming.
I mean,
Nah, man, that's that. They playing with the weather machine.
right, nigga, like global warming. Like, you really believe in that shit?
These
Yo.
conspiracy theories.
Yo, you know what's crazy? Pronounce it letter. Right.
Conspiracy.
Yeah.
Conspiracy theories.
Yeah,
I was laughing when I was talking.
Nah, bro.
Yeah, right.
You talk about, you can't say nothing about them. Say
No, I can, because I can say it.
Listen.
These conspiracy theories is crazy.
I might be on your side with Smith. The Smith's on it.
Bro, it's only right. It's only right.
That makes sense to me now.
It's only right. But what I was about to say, I just lost the fuck.
I'm talking about the weather machine.
Yeah. So, yo, one mic. We not studio and producer. Yo, I want to the production team. Production team over there. I want to the production team. All right, don't lock me off. Sorry. But what would I talk about? No, the way that thing now. For me, the way that thing now, like machine, global warming, whatever you want to call it, however you see it. I feel like we as human beings, brother, we just anything happen, like we just need to know, say, yo, adapt to it, brother. You see me? Yesterday not gonna be the same as today. You know what I'm saying? And as more as them might say.
You're not even trying to. What the fuck? You don't. You not even. You don't. So
What you mean? First of all, no.
You trying to give a heartfelt speech? No. You trying to give a heartfelt speech right now about the global
economy? You know what?
Global warming.
I've proof. You
got proof you recycle?
I have proof. I'm cleaning out. I respect my environment.
Do you bed?
Yes, they got me.
That's the first thing in making the ecosystem work properly. You have to be clean.
No. Everything I'm now clean except my shoes. I saw him stay, man. Him look closer for me, but you wanna know? Me, it's a man, brother. You can't come in my vehicle and have no trash and throw it to them. Him, that's trash out time vehicle, out the road. I'd rather bring that. Like, you know what I'm saying?
Paper. You throw paper on the side of the road?
That's fucking right. What you call that? Fertilizer.
Come on, bro. Come on. You can't.
If it's paper, plastic.
That's literally.
Right. That's, you know what I'm saying? That's a crime.
Bro, it is. A paper straw.
I'm just worried about the environment. That's it.
A paper straw is freaking with a fertilizer to the ground.
No, if it's
not biodegradable.
That shit is processed, bro.
If it's not, that shit biodegradable.
It's paper, yeah.
Oh, biodegradable?
Yeah.
Does it say? How do you know that it's biodegradable?
Every bumper clad paper come from a tree, so you know must biodegradable go back in the earth.
Then process that, brother. Then process that, brother.
Yeah, me see.
Process paper that.
A white paper straw. That's all I know.
This is not biodegradable, and this is paper.
Okay.
There you go. You know how much chemical left on that right now? You know how much chemical left on right now? Food coloring and everything there.
Where's the straw from? Like, where'd you
get the
mall? The mall?
Yeah,
I don't believe anything in the mall biodegradable.
Yeah, so it's a paper
They
straw.
need money.
And he was trying to act like Captain Planet and shit.
Bro, because I am, bro. I am, bro.
All I got from this conversation is y'all two are part of the problem.
That shit crazy. I'm trying to tell you, I'm looking out for the environment.
You out there throwing litter.
Fuck America, huh?
And that was brought to you by Stevie.
No, I respect the environment, dog. I respect the environment,
You
dog.
gonna start recycling?
No, I mean, so
He said no. He definitely said no.
You say if I'm gonna start recycling, though, I kind of jumped ahead and trying to answer, but I call it my buckle, my water buckle them. You know what I'm saying? I call it my buckle them. You know what I'm saying? And bro, from what you hear me, I get a little educated, and like I'm definitely gonna start. Yeah, don't start. But I'm definitely gonna start be on some, cause they about to start finding niggas, bro. Like you really gotta separate your trash and all that shit. Like, you really supposed to.
They've been finding people for that.
I ain't know that, but boy, I know this. They about to clamp down.
Hey yo, what's up, man? We
That shit, you know what I'm saying?
I don't know who he's faking for.
Bro, I'm not faking. All right, you know what?
You care about the environment. People are a part of the environment. You don't give a fuck about people, so that's a big place.
That's a nigga still.
So let's go.
Yo, this nigga is a hater, bro. Yo.
Let's do a cheers to the environment that these two are killing.
Throwback Edition, we here, chat.
It was
I'm
here
here.
yesterday, but it won't be here tomorrow.
Me not cheers to that. We did there last week and we did last year.
Last year and this year. And this year too.
Take two, production,
All right.
clip.
We was here last week and we here again this week and we saving the environment.
That is it.
We love
bro.
Mother Earth.
Throwback Edition, chat. Big up on yourself, you know.
Then let's shout out these flyers real quick.
Yo, it's a lot going on.
Tomorrow night.
No. First of all, before we even go to the flyers, let's do a quick little recap of like what. I know you mentioned it in the intro.
We did this weekend.
What happened? Yeah, what happened last weekend? I was locked down.
Yo, it was a lit weekend, yo.
Okay.
Yeah.
So give me a quick. You know, we have a throwback edition, so this kind of a throwback too.
I was outside this weekend, so I could tell you what.
All right, bet. I wasn't there. I had other obligations.
Probation.
Yeah. So can you either one give me a quick Instagram reel of what go on?
Friday night, Friday night, nothing. I do shit
Show
Friday night,
home.
man. Yeah, showing in the crib, yeah.
All Black Saturday.
Saturday, all black junior.
I saw. I didn't get to go to that. That's my people's shit too. I didn't get to go to that.
It was a nice party, man.
Yeah, I was locked down.
Everybody in they all black. It's always nice. Yo, I feel like when you go to a party,
That's my type of party too.
And you stick to the theme.
And everybody stick to the theme.
Lit.
Fire.
That make the party really. That's
Yeah,
what
you
make the party
participation points is
Yes,
a key,
exactly.
man.
It's a great word.
A
for
key,
it.
man.
That's what
Wow.
Yeah, he said it correctly and everything. Yo.
Right.
Yeah, I'm proud of you for that one.
Jay, How the fuck you going? Bro, we crossed the boat. We was on the boat together.
No, me just say I was just pointing out. The fact that him say participation as a team makes sense and count. Where your blood clot live by shot next week. Carry on.
Yo, first of all.
Carry on.
Yo, Beans. Yo.
What I'm doing, Beans?
You know what?
I forgot he was here. I would have asked him too.
Hold on now. We are gonna see who are gonna have on them uniform next week. And who look better than them uniform next week. Since you want to talk.
All right,
anyways. Quick Skilly Bang pass through in a Water Street. What go on? Come hear mixed reviews, you know.
Let me finish, man, because Saturday day in, which is junior party.
Oh yeah, we are all back. My bad. I'm sorry.
Junior party was nice, man. The DJs was nice. I forgot who was even playing, yo, but it was nice.
Yeah, you enjoyed yourself.
Them up play.
A Fire Kid
no Fire Kid or somebody else.
Rumboss them too, no?
Nah, Rumboss didn't play there. They played at
Yeah, they played at Skilly.
Big Red.
GI, thank you. It was GI played.
Okay.
GI with Fire Kid on the mic. That was nice, yo. That was.
We read that flyer too. We just lit right now, chat. Don't worry about it.
After that though, hold on. So after junior party, they did an afty.
Mm-hmm.
Dixon and JC and them, they did an afty at
where?
Over there on Lake Ave, across from Aldi's on Lake Ave.
Okay, I know where that is. Vicinity, actually. I don't know what you're talking about.
Yo, that shit was nice, yo. We was there till 4:30, yo. That shit was nice, yo. Fire Kid played for that. Rumboss tore that shit down, yo. Rumboss did they thing in there.
Yo, hey.
And it was nice, yo. It was nice till 4:30, yo. We was there, yo.
You G them, they on the gun right now. You G them, I mash up the gun, you know. Me nah gonna lie, you know, me proud, but yo. I wonder if we can afford it, man, up on it, NJ. You think you can afford it, G?
Me know, sir. Me put on the deposit for next week.
Yeah, we have
supposed to pass through next week.
All right.
Because the man, them are the road, so even if we didn't even
book
them.
DJ, me can book DJ.
Do your thing. See there. But Rumboss International, them are the road. You know what I'm saying? They got a couple parties coming up too. All right, so after it was lit.
So there's Sunday. Because I feel like we all enjoy Sunday, except you missed out.
I had good reasons, but yeah.
No, I understand. I understand. Oh yeah, damn! It was just me and you and a few of the live vibes team.
Yeah, I feel like I ain't see no footage from y'all, but I heard about it. Yeah, I know y'all was there.
He didn't tell me.
Bruh, it was so. Shouts out the whole CDF collective.
Yeah.
Dixon, JC, Fire Kid, Ari, they whole team, Vanna, all of that whole squad. You shouts out to them. They did a pop-up concert.
Shit lit.
5 days to promote that shit. And
yeah.
Skilly.
I ain't gonna lie. I thought it was a prank.
It came out of nowhere.
I thought it was a prank because you know it's a prank that going on, you know, so you don't know anything going on, but.
I think them for careless.
Listen.
Nah, that would be lit.
Like, that would be a prank. It couldn't be a prank from Ari Sherry.
Yeah, activity.
Well, no, because Ari no deal with fuckery.
That is
Ari no play.
That's a fact.
You think we read flyer off?
If Ari no post
Big up Mr. Real Bars, I swear. But, all right, so performance, real quick, because Skilly at the road, I don't know, you know what I'm saying? Skilly, I mash up arenas and stage shows, you know, so... You know what I mean? How was his performance for, like, Jay, a long time? Jay, when I first person, I see comment upon them posts and say, yo, finally. You know what I'm saying? And they got on his shit. Yo, so how was, you know, did he deliver or did they deliver?
In my opinion on it, so
go
ahead, Jay, go ahead.
I say they delivered because they brought him here.
Right.
But I would say... he could have did a better performance.
Okay.
But I felt like his performance was because he was shocked that he didn't know matter.
I feel like that's
we know
great point, yo.
Every song he played.
Yeah.
Yo, the fact that
so he didn't prepare his set for where he was going, or he didn't do his research or something.
So usually when Rochester has concerts and everything, it's usually older artists.
Yep.
Classic artists.
And that's why I brought it up.
And they do great shows.
Yeah, they actually perform.
Reggae concerts here is automatically sell off. So we know that.
For them to bring a newer generation of artists, not saying because we know Skilly been out for a while, but he is one of the newer generation of artists.
To the dancehall crowd here. Yes, I get you.
Yes. So for them to bring somebody that you would think that usually Rochester might not, the way Rochester pulled up. People came out for that, yo.
Okay.
A lot of people came out for that, yo.
Okay.
That surprised me. And then the fact that I think he was up there, he was like, damn, they really know my music because people was singing his song.
As soon as he started, he just... And he was just like, damn.
Yeah.
It's
But that's what he been doing on his shows, though.
As a-
So it's
as a-
like, that's what I kind of
but-
asked that.
but
Did he
so
follow up with his, you know?
As a Rochesterian,
Yeah.
I feel like it surprised me to see how many people knew this music. Because, you know, I know this music. Like, we, this
Yeah. We
this
vibe,
is-
we vibe.
Yeah.
But to see how many other people actually know this music, because it was more, it was about, I say about like 4 to 5, maybe, I might be high bugging it, but
500?
It might
Okay.
be, I'll say 400, I'll say about 400 people that
A lot of
showed up
people.
to that shit,
That's
yo.
a lot.
It
Okay.
is. And the crowd knew his music. And that was nice. I was like, damn, that's about.
I'm waiting
and I
for
feel
the
like that's
official
when you
videos.
Like, that's the about. Finally we got
Were
new
they-
artists, and finally they can see that people know their music, yo.
Were there any captures or anybody video party?
Yeah, I got footage.
Talking about footage.
Serenity was out there. She was out there getting footage.
Okay.
And everything. Shouts out to her.
Yeah, I got footage.
So, you know, link up them people there if you want some footage. Skilly bang.
Serenity got a lot of good footage.
Yeah,
Yeah.
shout out to her.
Okay. I guess that's it then. What? That's the. Was there an after for that?
Was Sunday. Man,
Nigga,
Was there an
I
after
was
for
tired,
that?
bro.
Huh?
It was
Work
Sunday,
the
man.
next day.
Yeah.
No.
That's the after. The hell
Nigga,
is
that-
that?
wasn't that the
over
stage?
like 11.
Man, it's a
and we
Sunday night talk about the after.
Oh, it wasn't.
What the fuck?
I'm sorry. Yeah.
It's a pop-up concert, yo, out of nowhere.
Yeah.
5 days, yo. They promoted that in 5 days.
As they say, shout out to CDF, man. The
Big
Wood
shouts out
crew.
to the CDF collective, man.
So,
Talk about that.
So what's happening this weekend?
That's what I'm asking.
Yeah, talk about that.
this
Right,
weekend, man.
tomorrow actually, isn't it tomorrow?
Yeah,
Party going tomorrow, right?
Sky Lounge.
Yeah.
Sky Lounge is active.
Dre.
Sky Lounge is active. I mean, we have beat down the fire from man, you know.
Yeah, me I tell him say
From about 5 months ago.
we are from
Because we know it's an annual event.
Yo, I think
We
it was
want-
in like,
we want,
in
you
like
know?
August we was talking about this
Yeah.
shit. Yo.
Yeah, you know what I'm saying? It's an annual event.
Yeah.
Y'all better know.
You know what I
Dre,
mean?
you
So-
know why? Dre, if you are watch. Yeah, Dre, if you are watch. Put that switch, let me show them.
Oh, yeah. We up.
We up, man, we up. That's activity.
Dre, if you are watch, you know why I'm glad for your party every year? Because it's a clean and fresh. So me know my friend them have a beard.
That's true.
me so thankful for you. So that's what I say. And then you have Rumbass and Maestro. But me know already. I go fuck up a place. Who the other DJ up on the flyer?
Let me see it again.
First
Let
me
me buy
hear about
flyer.
him.
I know him.
Let me see him. Let me see the flyer. Let me see.
I don't know why it's
I
going to be a part of the conversation, you know?
Cassim International?
Nah, I don't know.
Nah, I never heard of them. They must be nice to be on this.
Probably I know a new out of town DJ.
From they should say where they from.
Okay. I
But
mean, you going
tomorrow
to
night.
find out tomorrow night. So Sky Lounge is active
Yeah,
tomorrow.
people. So that's tomorrow night. Ever fresh, ever clean. Sky Lounge Dre party every December.
And the chat know why that shit is special.
Ever
'cause you
clean,
know what
ever.
I'm
I'm
saying?
say the boss him say, if you don't see the flyer, I'm not gonna see why he called so. But I tell you, every year he never fail. And Junior All Black last week did bad, but that one yeah, I go see so. And then all Jamaican and then Blazer tomorrow. Now go see them.
Oh Jesus! Every year.
Was that the only thing happening this weekend?
Nah, Sunday, I gotta give a shout out to my boy Bleak. Got the pajama party. It's at Studio Lounge. It's a Christmas pajama party. Studio Lounge is going down. Listen, he did the nude color party out there. It's an R&B party. It's GIJK. And yo, listen, man, that the last party he did at Studio Lounge, when I tell y'all, is everything that y'all ain't seen.
Everything
That
y'all
you see on
Yeah.
Instagram.
Did
Be
it?
there.
Did
Be
it?
there. Listen.
There, this a.
Listen.
Okay.
I'm taking off of work for it, yo. I'm telling you right
Yeah.
now, yo.
Okay.
So, just make sure y'all there for that, man. Studio Lounge Sunday night is definitely going down, man. Definitely going down, man. GIJK, Christmas pajama party.
Yeah.
Make sure y'all come to that one. We in the building for that one.
Tonight, Mix It Up Fridays.
Oh yeah,
Each and every Friday.
Fire Kid and Man Dixon.
Yep.
Yeah.
And
downtown.
Yeah. Where is that at?
Where is it at?
Me not pronounce the name there.
Let me
Just
see,
no
let me see.
say.
I got
Just
you.
link
I
up the
got you.
page.
I forget where's that.
Just link up the Fire Kid.
Let me see the name, yo.
All right.
Yeah. Fuck is me not doing.
We're not doing it.
Oh, the mango.
All right. Boy. Anyways, and after that, Fire Boss. Me see my brother post something say.
Yeah,
Child
Mix It Up
eye.
Fridays is going down. I
So
saw
you
the
got
footage from
like
that.
people basically we say you can party till at least 6 o'clock. Just be safe. You see me I say? You know what I'm saying? Mix It Up Fridays and then
Where you partying until 6 o'clock at?
After that, after Mix It Up Fridays, just link Fire Boss page.
Oh, he got the afty popping?
He got the afty for you until 4, maybe 6.
Yeah.
4, maybe 6 is crazy. That's
4,
a big
maybe
gap in
6.
time, yo.
Yeah, just link Fire Boss. The location is private right now, you know what I'm saying?
I got like 2:30.
Yeah, but just
pass through and say what's up to everybody. What's good?
Listen.
All right.
Drive fast outside on the way home.
Hey.
I'm looking at the clock at 1:30.
Nah, but listen, you got people like
What?
Remember man who buy table, you know? Yeah, some man now lift them liquor dance, you know. Nowadays, you know, lift liquor dance, you know, so. You see me I say? There's a lot of people that man who buy table for a dance 1 o'clock. No, 12:30, 1 o'clock. And you know, you're not done table or liquor by them time, even when you share with the whole family in that place. You see me I say? So, it's like you kind of, you know what I'm saying? It's either you're not drunk or you have more liquor and you want to say, all right, next party.
Don't be taking
But a lot
shots
of
about
people,
Cousin B's, yo.
Hey. Hey, you see you, yeah. Hey, you see you. Me I try DJ. Yo, my friend Richard, I mean, but no, I was about to say, not even that. It's like more, like, even if you fall that party late, and you have a vibes, you know what I'm saying? Even if you lift the buckle, bring the buckle or lift the buckle. Some people want, you know what I'm saying, meet their moms at the party and the moms fall late too, so you don't get fit. You know what I mean? Put in your 2 cents. You see me I say, so yo, hit the after. You know what I mean? You might not even stay at the after for long. You might just go to the bar and turn around, you know what I'm saying? So, but there's afters out here until at least, you know. The doors open at 2 a.m., so that alone tells you, bro. The doors open at 2 a.m. Child Eye Vibes after party, so.
So be there.
Yeah, if you want to.
Just
if you want to.
Don't do that. Shout out to the Fire Boss.
Yeah, shout out to the American Fire Boss.
So,
if you want to, bro.
I got a question.
Yo, what's up, man?
Why is this here?
I asked the same question. It's not even games night, bro. It's Throwback Edition.
It's supposed to be the icebreaker game, and this is obviously a
So
vintage.
Wait, hold on. So what's on the line for that? Shots?
Hmm?
Shots on the line?
Damn. I mean,
we can make it happen.
I ain't no bitch.
Yeah, me either.
All right.
Everybody is quiet, so.
Who first?
Yeah. Now roll up a spliff, you know, so whoever want, if first round get dead.
Yo, shouts out to the chat, man. I see management in the chat.
Yeah, shout out to everybody.
I see somebody named Shani in the chat. Shani World.
Who first?
I see Brian in the
Shani,
chat.
what?
Bad girl G in the chat. I see production I check in the chat, bro.
All right, Jermaine, I guess.
What's up?
You versus
Shouts out to the chat,
Can you see it with a camera switch?
Oh, yeah.
Shouts out to the chat, man.
I mean, you can see it, but.
Shouts out to the chat. Shouts out to the chat. You heard? Shouts out to the chat. Shouts out to the chat. Shouts out to the chat. Shouts out to the chat.
No,
that's gyrating.
You know, I my boy will push Kenny.
Come on, man. You don't want to take this out, bro.
Well, I don't
Dr. Sarah was fighting with a battery.
Oh, yo, you missed it earlier.
What's up?
Yo, I think the G had went on like, I think she was like, what, 8-9 against? I mean, 8-1 against these niggas here.
Oh, on that?
Yeah, Rock'em Sock'em. She was up there, bro.
Crazy,
she
yo.
beat the shit out
Shouts out
of
to
yo.
G, yo.
9 suck. I just want to say that. Like,
How do you even play that shit, bro?
She went 3-0 against him.
Production trash?
Yeah,
She
production.
went 3-0 against him. That was funny. Like, yo, at first match competitive. They both knocked each other out. Second match, all right, it was good. And then he got knocked out. Third match, same thing, a little quicker. But last match, 5 seconds, knocked the shit off. I was like, damn, Don, you might just retire from fighting.
Damn, not the retirement.
Retirement match.
Nigga got no wins.
She put him in the retirement match.
What's up, man? Nah, move that shit, cause you got the mic. Move the mic, yo. Let's go, man.
We take it for real now.
Yeah, nah, cause you got the angle on
some
this
people
shit.
we have played this because it's a throwback week. And this Kelly, you're supposed to have played this from your uncle being supposed to know when this come out.
I don't even know what that is, bro. That shit crazy, bro. I've never seen no game. Bro, I played. Be careful.
I just asked a question.
And cat and box truck me know about.
I want you ready.
Yeah. I don't know about them things, brother. It's a privilege game.
I ain't never had it, but I seen it before.
It's a privilege.
I never had it before.
I never had this shit either.
See?
I seen it before. I seen it like Boys and Girls Club.
The point is, I've tried not to end back with your ass up.
It's pretty much,
Boy.
it's pretty much boxing. Just for like you
boxing.
you
Alright.
want your.
Well, yeah, move your eye now.
Nah, cause you about to cheat.
I know. Oh yeah, no. Count on three. My three.
Oh, yeah, count on three.
My three.
What you doing, son?
Jay, put
Back up, son.
Don't put shit.
I'm back.
Right,
Kenny, you go back.
Right,
I just far as I can go.
Because I think this is
All right, on my three.
I think it's gonna go left. So.
No, ain't not gonna fly. I hope.
No,
Power!
1, 2, 3, go.
Pussy.
Oh, you already lost.
You done.
Oh, I
look at that. Look at that. Look at that.
He's high.
We know somebody can't fight.
Where you at?
He's high.
Yo, Larry, you being cheerleader right now. Shut up.
Yeah, my boy, go on. Pick up yourself up.
I chose a side.
We got the video in the chat.
I chose a side.
Ready?
All right, hold on.
I banned the money from the chat, from the studio, my boy.
Respect the ref.
I banned the money. Time man, I want them money. Let me know. Got me a big fear, my dog, but you can't do them things anymore. Isn't it? Yeah. Big up yourself, my boy.
Argentina still couldn't get it though. That's crazy. Back up, son.
All right. Gotta get ready. 1, 2, 3, go. He bobbing and weaving. It's a real fight. It's crazy.
Wait, shit, I broke it.
Broke it.
No, I broke.
You broke it?
Yeah.
Yo, how you break it?
It pop out, yeah.
No matter.
Yo, the chat said Larry on the roll. I ain't know what. Hey, Bree, he not even drinking. He's sober as a mouse.
Broke it. Yeah, that's crazy.
That's a definition of a live vibes.
That's automatic forfeit.
Probably.
But big up yourself.
That's automatic forfeit, yo. Shouts out to Lord.
Nah, man, I'm here straight for. I'm here blood class before you go out here.
Hold on, son. Hold on.
Yo, shouts out to the chat. The chat is active right now.
No, this ain't not good at all. How you
Big
break
up on the
it?
nice
Bro,
clean
he
self.
put together and broke it.
Yeah.
You call that try hard.
So you good?
You're trying to.
I don't know what they doing. I ain't indulging in that shit. I'm just vibing.
Nice at live vibes. They break everything.
Yo, chat, what's going on, man? Y'all know what they playing? Y'all ever play this game?
Standard.
Because a box chuck and marble me know about, you know.
Check his gloves.
And Chinese skip, dandy shandy. They broke the game.
You got a lot going on right now, bro.
Chat, what was y'all throwback games, man? I know it's not games night, but we doing throwback. So what was y'all throwback game? Yeah, what was y'all throwback game? Because I've been for the past week I've been playing GTA San Andreas on a Switch.
That was your throwback game? Is GTA?
All right, ready.
Yeah, I fuck with GTA. That's my shit.
Radio.
What you mean that's new
Oh,
shit?
you talking about the old GTA?
Nigga, GTA been. GTA got a history now. Come on now. Come on now.
All right, come on. What you
Talk about board games, Snake and Ladder.
I don't know, man. That shit don't look regulation to me.
Yeah, check your gloves and shit.
All right. Check gloves. All right. On 3, 1, 2.
Nah,
hey,
son,
man, stop.
I'm ready.
1, 2, 3, go. I ain't gonna lie, G. They flight not exciting as yours was.
See, there's no shit where to go left.
Oh, nigga lost again. Go 2-0. Get up out of here. Who next?
Anyways, Blues Clues Power Rangers on the first PlayStation console. Blues Clues on the PlayStation. I never played Power Rangers. Was my
I definitely played Power Rangers.
I feel like if you play.
I did. I feel like I did. I ain't playing no Blues Clues though.
Nah, I ain't played Blues Clues, but I
On a
definitely.
video game?
Nah, I played.
Yeah.
Blues Clues.
Right.
Never played that.
I mean, I think that's her her show throwback. I don't think that's a game, but I'll ask for games, but
I remember the Lion King game.
Excuse me.
Hell yeah, I remember that. When you put. Remember the one where you was.
Where you play as the Timon?
Simba, you played as Simba.
Yeah, you played like Simba, Timon thing.
Mm-hmm.
I never got past the first
You remember
level.
the Aladdin game?
Yep.
And that magic carpet part was mad hard to do.
What?
Donkey
Kong. I was about to play that shit today too, bro.
Bro, Super Mario Brothers is always a classic.
Yeah, it's a classic, yeah.
Mario Kart.
Mario Kart, all of them shits. Yo, Jay.
Yeah. That's our fights.
Yo, Jay.
007.
Yeah, go tonight. Nintendo 64.
Ooh.
Yo, that's a game that
I ain't gonna lie.
If they did that, I'm buying it.
If they did that again,
I don't care how much it costs. I'm buying it.
that.
I'm buying it.
What's so that?
Like a remaster?
That must have been a gay. That must have been like a fake shit. Because I seen a post when they say they're gonna remake the 64.
No, that is they are remaking it.
Yeah,
Like,
so
but
they,
it's not. So they're
Fight Night,
remaking.
yeah, Fight Night bring me over too.
They're remaking the Nintendo 64, but it's not through Nintendo doing it. But they're not. Nintendo's not doing it. But they still like, yo, y'all can rock with it. Like,
My bad, bro. A box you come up and play with.
shit, it's games on it and everything.
Only Blue School we know up on show, but Bree said that was a game on the first PlayStation.
What, Blue Schools?
I never played it.
for you to get, they must have gave you that game at the library.
First of all, how old were you?
I play real games like Crash.
Young.
Hey, Bree, I don't think Brianna go on till I age, but yeah, she sound like she close to Dr. Sour age. I'm sorry.
Damn, I ain't
I remember playing Power Rangers though. I said I didn't earlier, but I don't know about the Blue's Clues part. But I never had a PlayStation 1 though.
Game is my question, yo.
You said what?
Yeah, he looking for.
Yeah.
What's up?
My client is waiting for his next opponent.
Talk to him, man.
We trying to get a
Nah, I'm
bag
not playing them
here.
here.
Man, what's wrong with you? Why you scared?
Yo, go for two marble and something, brother. And some.
Everything. Yo, this is my promoter. This is my fight promoter, yo. Let's go, man.
Hey, Nine, go over here and redeem yourself, cuz.
Come on, man. Where you at?
Where you at?
Somebody said
Bree said Google it. I'm living in Germany with that. Okay. Maybe it's that German game that. I'm sorry.
The champion.
I'm fucking with you, bro. I'm gonna look it up right now.
You get a shot at you.
You got something to say? You got something to say?
He sounded like Tyson.
I eat your kids.
All right.
Whoa.
You can't say that nowadays?
Can you press that green thing?
You can't say that nowadays?
Yeah.
So you can't
Oh,
say
that do
that
sound wild. Yeah, that do sound wild.
Beat him, bumbo like this. Beat him.
Tell that next man say.
My client.
Are you in a wrong chair to you if you switch with Larry?
That was wild. Yeah, you my client, but I gotta tell you, that was wild.
That was wild, my boy.
Can't say that nowadays.
Yeah, it's cancer culture now.
The Jay-Z shit?
You wasn't commenting on Mike Tyson.
Jay-Z, R. Kelly.
I'll take you know what I'm saying? I'll take my punishment for that shit, yo. But you can't. You're not checking Mike Tyson.
Yeah, checking. What them?
Nah, bro. Don't try to change up, bro.
Nah. Back then, Mike Tyson did some wild shit.
Yeah, he
said some wild stuff.
Man, Larry, count it out, man.
All right. This is for the rematch.
Back up, bro. What are you doing?
I'm warming up, nigga.
Nah, bro. Work on your own.
Get in your corner.
On your own time.
Get in your corner. All right.
I'm freaking you off.
2, 3, go.
Yeah, that definitely was a game. You got it, Bree.
What year?
I ain't never played it though.
What year?
The year it dropped. It was definitely a PlayStation game.
Fuck you, nigga.
Took a round.
Talking about.
All right, let's go, man. Larry, count it out, yo.
All right, again.
Back up.
Get in your respective corners. This
look at her now, son. What was that advantage, though?
What was the advantage?
You
just fucked up.
I saw it. I heard the clip.
Place and everything.
I heard the clip. Yeah.
So that means it wasn't working properly.
Performance enhancement.
Yeah, me answer. Right, clap my waist.
All right,
steroids.
All right, 1,
98.
2, 3, go. 98.
Yeah, because it said PC. Oh no, my bad. Blues musical.
All right, you don't get another shot now.
My bad, Larry. It's Blues Clues big musical released in 2001 to PlayStation console and handheld.
Hell yeah.
That was a basketball game. Hey, hold on, wait a minute, bro. We have good space.
NBA Jam was a good game.
That was a good
Okay.
game. Oh, damn.
Sonic was my shit, man.
All right. This is it for all. Then we move on. All right. This is for shots. Matter of fact, this is for the shot. This is for a shot of Ray and Nephew.
Back up.
Yeah, man.
All right, get your respective corners.
man.
This is it for all. A shot.
Me not pour that.
Back up.
Me not pour that.
I am back. Yo.
All right.
Yeah, look, son.
Cheat. All right, one.
Back up.
Two.
Yo.
You shouldn't be that close. Son, you should be back there, son.
Oh,
all right.
I should be able to see that little gap in there, like I got. Son.
I TV me, I fix it for.
Back up, son.
Which gap you top?
Son, look.
You can't get the regulations.
Look, you see that? You see the little hole there? You see how you can see it on my side too?
I guess.
All right. This is for a shot.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
Yo.
Go.
Son, why you?
I am interacting with the chat. You good?
I'm here, but I can't see it.
Yeah, let me interact with the chat. We good. The chat got me researching right now, okay? Relax. You know? Production, yo, chat, production on our shit. They're like, listen, y'all not getting paid for nothing now. You better work. You better interact with my chat.
Oh, boy!
Oh, shit. Who that?
Hey, pour that shot, nephew.
Yeah,
nah, we vibing with the chat, though.
God knows I
You know the chat love me.
Respect the rules.
You know the chat love me.
That's some bullshit, yo.
Yeah.
I done whooped the whole time, yo.
Yeah,
all right. I don't know how long. I don't know how much I want to go back to the.
Yeah, but Punday.
What was the earliest game console you ever owned?
Super Nintendo.
Oh, yeah. First game console. That would be the oldest.
Sega
Yeah.
Genesis, the black one.
Sega Genesis. What the fuck is that?
Sega was my shit. Yo.
Line up last year.
Sega Genesis was the shit.
Sega.
Yo.
What game was that on? What console is that?
Sonic.
It's called Sega Genesis.
A word? That's it.
Yeah.
That's where Sonic came out.
A word?
Yeah.
How old are you?
Sega.
And Street Fighter too.
Wait, hold on. Wait, how old are you?
Street Fighter was the Super Nintendo.
No, seriously.
Sega
How old are you?
Genesis,
You don't know the Sega
It was on there, but it came out on
We know Sonic, but we don't know Sega Genesis. We're not gonna.
I'm not gonna argue with you on what came out first.
You know what
'cause
Sega
yours was
Genesis is,
first.
right? It's
So yeah.
fucking. Are you
All right.
Dreamcast?
Dreamcast. I remember. I never had it, but
What about Cube?
the GameCube.
Yeah, the GameCube was fire. I had
The
one.
only Nintendo I had was
That playback is gonna mess me up.
We had the Super Nintendo. Then my grandparents had the Nintendo 64, but that was the only Nintendo.
I never had a Super Nintendo.
Big one.
I always had a
the gray one.
it was always a homeboy that had a Super Nintendo.
Yeah. Yeah.
I had a regular Nintendo, then I had a I had a Sega Genesis, so it was a regular Nintendo.
Yeah.
Then I had a Sega, then I had a PlayStation.
Don't forget you had an Atari.
Nah, my cousin had an Atari though. My cousin definitely had the Atari.
Those was nice,
I remember
bro.
going to his
Atari
house.
was nice, bro.
Nah, I remember my cousin had
yeah,
one game
yeah.
and it had like a monitor on it. And it had like a little controller on that shit. And it had like Pong. It had like 3 games on Tetris on that shit.
Yeah.
I was like, what the fuck is this?
Oh, I bet your first game was Sticks.
Fuck you, Gwan.
Yo.
Judging.
He said sticks.
Judging.
I almost said some rude shit,
Yo, this him, boy.
This
him. Yo, this him. Can't talk to you like that.
Nah,
this
man,
him, brother.
You got that. You got that.
You gotta think about it.
You got that, yo. You got that. Cause I love you, yo. I love you, boy. I ain't gonna do that to you, man. That was a good one.
How the Bahamas accent go?
I don't know, man. I'm American.
Time to play.
Fuck out
Yeah,
here.
But now, what did you say? What was your earliest game?
Super Nintendo.
Okay.
Yeah, that's a great.
I had a Game Boy. I did.
That's
have a
one
Game
like
Boy.
it's gray and purple, like light purple. So it had like the little, like the remotes literally looked like this. They were like a whole oval.
You don't remember Super Nintendo?
No.
Oh, you do.
I
don't. Pull it up. Look at it. Pull
yo, right now, I'm frosting up, so I know I probably was around it.
That's where Street Fighter
but I don't think I had it.
Yeah, you had the cartridges and shit. And you had to pray they work.
That's what blowing into a cartridge.
Oh yeah, I remember this. Yeah, I remember this. Seal, man. Yeah.
That's what Nintendo.
Yeah. You're right. Remember that now.
Super Nintendo. The reason why I always wanted a Super Nintendo.
Green and purple.
Because that was the first game system where they had the gun with all of the. You could build a gun off of the Super Nintendo shit. They had.
That was like the first Call of Duty.
The first one, yeah.
Okay.
It wasn't as
detail and everything there.
Larry.
Well, you could run on the pad and all that shit.
Larry.
Yeah.
They,
Yep.
Oh yeah, that's it. They say in the chat it seems like you old as Kenny because you know all these games.
Super Nintendo? No, that was like 90 something. I was like, that was 90 something. I was growing up when these games came out.
That was 91.
I have an older brother.
That was 91.
I was not good at these.
He got an older brother. That is an excuse for him.
Yeah, I want to say my first one was probably SP.
Game Boy Advance.
Yeah, the Game Boy shit there.
That's the shit in your hand, right?
Damn.
Yeah.
I also like I do work with a gaming company.
I
work with the gaming company, so I know all the games and stuff like that.
So I like, I mean, that's the first one. Then I upgraded to a DS. And then.
I had a Game Boy Advance.
SP. I upgraded to yes.
The color. That's what you had to do a trick to make it work.
Yo, chat. This nigga looking clown like a motherfucker, bro. Fuck you, nigga.
This
Fuck
nigga,
you, nigga.
because he had the handheld games that they nigga, you had to have the system.
I had a system, nigga. I had a PS2 before you had. I had a slim one too. What you talking about?
No.
You probably had a.
No.
You probably had a. I ain't had a PS1 by the way. I wasn't even that. Oh, I never owned a PS1.
Don't do that. I tell you right now.
Right. And my PS2 never. I had to worry when that shit was starting up.
Who you trying to fix something?
My shit wasn't a refurbished shit, nigga.
Wait.
That shit was fresh off the shelf.
You don't even remember the good old days when you had to pray to make sure these games?
I didn't have that problem was for the big motherfuckers, the fat Joes.
Yeah, we had the fat.
I ain't had that problem.
Bro, the yellow.
I ain't had that problem unless my only time I had that problem. Hold on.
Red ring of death.
The red ring.
No, we don't reach us there. We don't reach us there. We don't reach us there.
It was the yellow.
We ain't there yet. We ain't there yet.
Yep, I had the yellow because I had that shit on two of them shit.
Because screen go blue and red.
Yep, and then that shit, then the little light on it, that shit would turn yellow, and you'd be like, oh shit.
All right, I got a question for you. What was the ugliest old school game?
Ugliest?
Xbox 360.
The black one?
Yep, the black and green one. Yep. Ugly as fuck. And what's crazy? That's one of the most advanced one. Like that shit is like a computer. Like you can do mad different shit. Yeah.
Upload music and shit on it.
Yeah, you could do the. Yeah, they were doing mad. I just learned that shit too. This shit was crazy.
That was the ugliest
one. I would say that was the ugliest one.
Talking about that, I tell you, me and Pundai was the first niggas PC gaming before we knew it was PC gaming.
Okay. Y'all was on the Xbox?
No,
I think I was like that too.
PC. On a PC.
These niggas taking credit.
Did I PC? Was that PC gaming?
No.
One mic.
Pundai. We started playing Grand Theft Auto on the PC, nigga.
First of all, I played GTA on the phone. I don't know about you.
No, nigga. I'm talking about Vice City.
Oh, that's the first one though.
I've been playing that.
The first good one was 3.
Yes.
Nah, I ain't played the early ones. I played
that on the PS2. But in Vice City, I was playing on PC.
Aerial view.
But it's a different. The Vice City on the PC before it was way different from the PC.
And that was Vice City.
I think Vice City is the first one I played.
No, 3 was New York.
And then it was Vice City.
Vice City, because Vice City was after.
Let me look it up real quick.
Was after 3.
We gotta get rid of that playback, please.
Liberty City was the trash one.
Oh, yeah, because the first one, 3, he was in Liberty City. 3
but
was
when they did the Liberty City
the remake, or the other one?
Nah, the one with the Russian dude.
That was 4.
That shit was trash.
And then Yuri.
Yeah,
yep.
Yuri.
They messed up after they did San Andreas and then went to that.
Yeah, right.
Like he went backwards.
Yeah.
Which one was that?
Fire.
San Andreas was the one you first played with the Grove Street gang.
Grove Street, cuz.
Yeah. I was just playing that shit today, man. So GTA, Grand Theft Auto, the first release was 97.
What is that?
Which one had the Jamaican dude? Oh, Jamaican dude?
I don't know.
I think it was a mission or some shit.
Which one was that?
I know you're top. I think I know Vice City.
That was San Andreas, wasn't it?
I think that's San Andreas.
With CJ?
Yeah, yup, with CJ.
Is that Jamaican?
But the best thing about it was
I know about San Andreas, but no.
If you eat food, you can get fat.
That was fire,
That was
yo.
crazy concept.
You control your whole body build.
Yeah,
you work out and be mad big. I was walking through Wall Street, tatted up. I was big as a bitch. Like
that shit was fire.
Yeah,
right.
I just took over a whole block today, bro. Yo, I'm
San Andreas?
Yep.
I haven't played San Andreas in years, yo.
I just play that shit till day.
Yo, GTA 5 is one of the longest running best-selling games.
GTA in general.
They keep dropping DLC.
Yeah, DLC.
Oh yeah, and computers played a big role in that too in terms of the modding world. The modding world is crazy, bro. Like you could really we could have a GTA server just for live vibes.
Oh yeah, that would be fine.
And you know what I'm saying? We could do our shit on there. And it's just what we say go. And if people fuck with what we got going on, they join our server and you know what I mean, they role play how we role play.
You know what?
Shit crazy, bro. It's just how you want.
They finally
how much you want put into it.
GTA 6 officially for summer 2025.
I just saw some official.
Announced it. It's official.
Is it official?
I mean, I thought I did that earlier, but
You think they did see a prank?
We don't even bullshit them.
Wait, Kenny.
For years.
They said that was a prank. It was a fake, no?
Nah, they was doing an announcement of all of the games. I'll send you the shit. They was announcing all of the games. They announced that. They announced that Wolverine game that looked fire. They announced that Captain America and Black Panther game. What? They announced I think it's another Warhammer coming out.
I'm not surprised.
I just played Warhammer. It was alright.
Yo, you know, like
it might be a Gears of War.
You know who plays that a lot? The dude who plays Superman. He loves Warhammer.
No.
Who? Oh, really?
Yeah, Henry Cavill.
I did not know that.
He's a huge Warhammer.
I just started playing like the trial of the show. I was like, this shit is alright, yo. This I can fuck with this game. It reminded me of Gears of War, and that was the only reason why I wanted the Xbox was because of Gears of War.
Yeah, they don't know one of those. Oh, yo, you know.
You say what about Gears of War? My bad.
That was the only reason why I ever wanted that. That and Halo was the only two reasons that I wanted.
Oh yeah. But the thing is, I had a PlayStation 2, so my friends had the Xbox. So I was like, as long as I could, link them niggas, I was able to play Halo.
I ever had an Xbox.
Yeah, but
I had an Xbox, but I think the Xbox was the green and black and green one.
Think about that life. Look, see. Yeah, see, I'm PlayStation.
We talking about old school game. What about old school TV games?
Old school TV games?
What you mean?
Jeopardy? Ooh.
Bro.
Is that an old game?
I know you niggas don't remember that shit. I'm about to say.
What?
You talking about TV games. I remember when Sega Genesis
had
their own channel on Time Warner.
Oh, man.
It was called Sega Channel.
Bumbo Club. You see, you remember that old?
I don't even know what that is, bro.
You niggas never heard of that shit.
I'm about to agree with him till he says
you can turn to this channel with your Sega hooked up to you and play games on this channel, yo. On a TV channel.
I'm gonna ask you, Jermaine.
Damn.
Do you know who the host of Jeopardy was? The most famous
Alex
one?
Trebek.
Okay.
All right, there you go.
I respect it. I was wary if you did. I had to jump you. Before you shoot, I start you out.
Bob Barker?
Yeah. All right.
Who's the new host?
Drew Carey.
Oh,
Family Feud.
Family Feud. Now name 3 of them, because there's like 3 famous. Well, there's like 17 of them.
I mean, I feel like it's only one that stands out.
Yeah. I got you, Bree. Hold on, watch this.
If you're the OG, you got to put respect to OG name. He a Dawson. He part of the family.
The chat. The chat said it as.
Because like the original OG is Richard Dawson. He was dude always kissing the women and stuff like that. He was a player. I mean, it was always kissing.
I don't remember.
Definitely had dial-up internet. Definitely had that shit. When they picked up the phone, they fuck up your
Why you couldn't let me ask you, motherfucker?
I just seen it.
I'm sorry, Bree. He answered. He showed his age.
I don't know what that means.
He showed his age.
Yeah.
That's the one that made
I don't know what that is either.
It was like annoying.
No, what is that?
Right.
Internet. That's how the internet used to be.
What we doing right now would not be happening if it was phones
That'd take
around.
forever.
It would not be happening.
If what?
Like the internet back then, how it used to start up.
Yeah.
Yeah, AOL. Was it AOL or something like that?
AOL, yeah. They used to send CDs. They used to send CDs in the mail.
Mm-hmm.
In your mail, you like. Yeah, it was some shit. It was some
bro,
shit
talk, bro. Talk, bro.
It's like I'm hearing Jesus stories.
Yeah,
man.
Right.
Wow.
Right.
It was a look he gave this nigga. His face had so much.
Nah, but never.
So
What
much
thing
happiness. How much old he's on.
Yo,
what is he saying?
Yo, Jay, when him said dial up, the only thing I remember about the phone that goes so. That's the first. That's the oldest thing I know.
See, you remember that? It was after that.
After that, that's
the original phone.
Yeah, we was on cordless phones by that time. What you talking about?
When computers was out, I'm used to like that floppy disk. I was that era, like.
So You would know what dial-up is, yo.
I didn't. I wouldn't. I don't remember that shit.
Because he had to be at that time. Probably had to be like 3 or 2.
No, I was.
Solitaire.
Why y'all check on?
Why you got like a whole woman? I'm you answer the question. How old are you?
Chat.
How old are you?
45. Looking like 10.
No.
Nah, I'm 28 though.
28? Yeah, no, he would know. He would know.
You definitely know.
I'm
That's what I'm saying. He would know.
But
so
we got.
So dial-up basically was. So what we used to do when I was younger and everything, when we was just trying to do stupid shit to make money and everything, we used to take because they used to literally put CDs in your mailbox for like 5 hours of AOL dial-up, 6 hours of Roadrunner, all of that shit.
Jay,
look at you. Look at you. You still weak as hell.
Go on, continue, because you trying to explain this shit. This nigga
dial-up was we used to take the CDs out of people's mailboxes and shit. And see, I just want to get in trouble and shit. Dang, son.
Bro,
sell 'em.
that shit is what you call it?
That is illegal.
No.
What you call it? That's dead illegal, son.
Nah, it's too long ago. What you call it?
Temporary, son. That's crazy.
Yeah, statute of limitation for that spot for that.
There's no more
Or them country
That's gone now.
Bumbo Club.
Statute of limitations is now gone.
I'm gonna look me some walkers, man. Yo, I true, man. Them need cause them gonna get some of them pussy out here, you know. We are the wrong.
We used to make a few dollars back in the day.
So why do you bring up Jeopardy, Mister?
Yeah, what's up?
Because we got some lined up. We got some new features that we trying to test out at the same time. And right after that, we're going to check out our favorite episode of our Live Vibes for the year. Just going to do a quick recap of our favorite episode.
Yeah, I got my shit.
All right, then. So where's Jeopardy gonna be on screen?
What we doing first? We doing a game first, or let's do the throwback of the show first. Like that goes in throwback, and then y'all can do the Jeopardy. What y'all think?
I feel like that could be a thing.
Okay. All right, man. I'm here for the vibes.
All right, bet. Let's see.
I'm here so I don't get fined.
Let me start with Dirty Man. What was your throwback show?
My throwback.
Yeah, what was your throwback live? You know. That you say, yo, that one, yeah.
My favorite episode. One of my favorites, Javi.
When?
The second time he pulled up.
Oh, here, okay.
Yeah, him in Prestige.
Okay.
Yo, because I'm telling you, bro, we did our show for an hour and a half.
Yeah. And you said you was here after vibes.
And he performed. Okay. Both of them performed for another hour and change after the show.
Yeah. Yeah, we chat.
And I told you, no song was repeated, bro. Just songs. We heard new songs that's not even ready to be released. Like so, that episode
I think we recorded that, but go ahead.
That episode got some gems of Javi 1 in it.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm telling you, bro. So that was one of my.
But chat,
and that's a new upcoming dancehall artist, bro. Upstate.
Facts. Them don't know Javi 1 around Shelby Place right now. Tour down place. He was at the Skilly Bang too.
Yeah, he performed with Skilly Bang too.
Yeah.
Me have the clips.
Who was he performing with? Who was
Faisal.
Yeah, Faisal. I definitely saw that clips of that too for sure.
Yo, that track is fire. Yo.
No, definitely.
I need that.
Yeah, but me know the same I could probably pop up tomorrow night. You know, me not say nothing still, but yeah. Yeah. So, but when I say that, yeah.
What about to say though? So you said when them pull up over here. What about chat?
Oh yeah, and the Zuena when Tall Man performed with her.
Okay.
Because we was.
That was gonna be mine too. That was gonna be you know. But for me, no, I want to say this though, chat. Yesterday, what to do with it? The artists, them, the Zuena and Javi one them. Chat, we gonna have a whole segment of like when we bring artists here. Just it's gonna be, we have a separate. You know what I mean? To where if y'all just want to see the performance and y'all want to hear us talking shit, y'all could just tap into that segment. Or I think we ain't finalized it yet. Management ain't finalized it yet, but it probably gonna be like a video, you know? You know, to where we just, have we gonna call it Spotlight Vibes Light or something like that. You know what I mean? So don't quote us yet. You know?
Name pending.
Yeah, name pending. But it's not gonna be us sitting down. It's just gonna be, it's just going to be like an after party vibe, but it's going to be that spotlight vibe with the artists. Yeah, a video. And I think that's...
After you watch
Yeah.
The live vibe.
Yep.
You go into the page.
Yep.
And watch the video.
And you watch the video and run it up.
Run it up.
Yep.
Get the
But
views up.
my you need the keys. My throwback I would say is when we pulled up to the studio.
Yeah. Oh yeah, that was a good time.
That was a good one, yeah.
Rush them. Chuck Star Productions.
Yeah, that shit was nice, yo.
That was a vibe. That was a, did you pull up?
He wasn't there for that.
I was at one of the studios, but I don't know the other one.
That's when we was in the recording studio. And you know, Javi wanted it to Nate. The whole crew did it. Upstate Mafia did it.
My favorite episode was
that was my shit. That was a night and I feel like that was one of our latest nights too. You know, and then I think that was our first travel. It wasn't it? Was it our first travel stream? Nah.
Yeah, that's the first time we was even here. Yeah.
Aside from the first episode.
Where was we the first episode?
Carafest.
No, that wasn't the first episode.
So that wasn't the first time we traveled there.
No, well,
no, first time we traveled.
I would say Carafest was a vlog. You know what I mean?
Live vlog?
But I would say once we moved the live to set up, it was at the studio.
Wait, a live vlog?
Yeah. So not live, but we recorded it.
I was gonna say, I'm sound like what we're doing now.
Yeah.
Okay.
Larry,
My favorite episode was when we had Joel James here. We was laughing like a motherfucker.
I was about to say that too. I wasn't here, but I rewatched that episode and I was like, yo.
So that whole episode,
that shit was a vibe.
Laughing, yo. It was just, we had a good time.
That was the first episode I actually rewatched in its completion. I usually watch like half of it just to see what I gotta work on, see what I gotta criticize, and see what we gotta improve on the set. But that shit, like, y'all niggas was vibing.
I definitely gotta go back and watch that. Because,
yeah,
like,
I watched that whole shit.
I remember when I met
think I
him.
tuned in.
He's not even in Ratchet anymore. I think he moved.
Did
he? Yeah, he moved out. And I don't know where he is now, but I know
Yeah.
He gonna never tell.
because he was selling cookbooks.
Yeah, in the hot
Yeah,
tub.
he been selling.
He been hustling.
I've been seeing
Always.
he be selling the
He
hell out of
hustling, bro.
cookbooks, yo.
Well, I remember when I first met him is when I first
Shouts
met
out to
Jay.
him, man. Big shouts out to Joel James.
You know,
I mean, when I first met Jay, I met him because he happened to come into the coffee shop.
Oh, that's where we met.
Yeah, when we met,
Yeah.
he was funny as fuck, bro.
Stay
He was
roasting.
funny as
Off
hell.
rip. Let me tell you, you know them rappers that always say they about to retire and they never do.
He definitely said he's retiring.
Every show. This is my last show.
Didn't he say he was here? He said it was his last show, and then I seen him on like 2 other ones.
Yeah, working.
Consistent. Yo,
Hey,
big shouts out to
big
him,
shouts
man.
out
That
to
was
him,
a
man.
great
That was
episode.
a dope
Yo, he
episode.
died laughing the whole time.
But yeah, he definitely be on that cooking shit too.
I ain't had no food, but it looked like
Yeah, I did
an
an episode with him. What he did brown soup staffer and some white rice and shit.
And I'm guessing he's also a better cook than you, right?
No,
definitely.
No.
Because
No.
It's proven that Beans already beat you, which is my favorite episode. I got bring you
Oh shit, that's really a throwback.
Ever seen that
Damn,
episode?
Joel, I joke me, I make Joel.
You see how mad he was that everybody said his wasn't as good as me. This man was heated.
No, I'm biased.
He was kicking people out of his house.
Yeah, me I say people. Them me tell them bias come here and say we are go from taste.
Okay.
And they say, yo, yours tastes better, but beans don't look like fried chicken.
Who said that?
Who the fuck? How are you gonna tell us? How you gonna tell the judges?
Y'all go back and watch the footage, yo.
We're not opposed to
Y'all make sure y'all go watch the footage, yo.
I was here for it. I remember nobody said yours tastes better. I remember saying that.
That's one of the episodes we can't put.
I remember saying that,
bro. That's treacherous. Cousin Beans in the building right now. The best cook in the house as this moment. As it stands. As it stands.
Hey,
as it stands.
Pull up the episode in time.
Chef thing I'm not joking, yeah, brother.
I'm trying to change the subject now.
The episode in time I sing with Zoe.
Chef thing I'm not joking.
You're doing Jeopardy after.
You know what I'm saying? Manas, my G. Chef thing I'm not joking. You know everybody feel in the kitchen.
The best chef is leaving the building.
Yeah. So if you're hungry, you get fucking with order. With order. Well, putting that thing out. Put that around bad boat. It's if you want to run a spontaneous boat, You link Punda. You just say, yo, you're hungry right now. Go guys tour and go link up. Just a quick pot.
As far
Punda
as the
slap that
Live
way.
Vibes audience knows, is big. We know that Punda.
Yeah, we know. We don't have a question, Punda. Our friend him look, but
is a future episodes Punda versus you.
No, it would be versus Beans.
No. You got to set up the championship match. Cause so if he wins, he get a rematch at Beans. If he wins, it's him against Beans.
Bro, if you lose twice, it's crazy.
Yeah.
You get out the house.
Yeah, bro, you don't even
Yeah,
live.
you gonna have to do something
This
different.
spot no more, bro.
Yeah.
You gotta let it go, bro. If you lose
come
2
in and
times,
beat you in
bro.
your home
What are you
twice.
doing?
It's craziness.
Son, losing in your crib twice is crazy.
I don't care what you gotta say. Y'all told me the shit was better.
Who said that? I wasn't here.
Yeah, I don't think we said that.
Yo, hear me, I said.
I said yours was
I was
good.
in Washington, D.C. at
I
the time,
said
yo.
yours was good. I never said yours was better than Beans because it
Are we getting hot?
Beans win. Why would I let Beans win? I'm not saying yours was
We
bad.
buffering, chat.
It
Yo,
wasn't bad.
hold on. I think we buffering. Hold on.
No, we good. I'm good over here.
We good. All right, bet.
Beans just like Beans got the age, the experience.
You playing the A game.
You're just a rookie in this cooking game.
You a rookie is wild,
Damn.
yo. This nigga's a
Yo,
super
Larry
villain
on
over
roll
here,
today.
son.
Larry on roll today.
Oh my God, yo, you okay?
Yo, so shout out to the chat, man. Chat. I'm enjoying myself. This probably gonna, if we do this again, this probably gonna be my favorite throwback when we do another throwback.
You trying to name Live Vibes
Nah,
TV,
son,
man.
I'm just saying, he ain't tell no
we
lie
here.
though, is the
We
crazy
here.
part.
We are here.
It's not bad.
Watch the episode. If you watch the episode,
Make sure y'all check the episode. Make sure y'all go check the episode.
Bad food. That's why I said it was bad, just not better. Damn. No, it's not seriously. Damn.
Larry, how much time you cook here, Larry?
I don't cook Jamaican food.
No, how much time I cook?
Oh, how much time?
And you get food.
A couple times, yeah.
And food no good.
So are you limited
it's
to?
not
Are you
bad.
limited to
What are you talking about? It's
just
good
Jamaican
food.
to West Indian food?
Rookie is crazy. Yeah, Rookie's definitely
Are you
crazy.
limited to just Jamaican food?
No, me can make pasta and stuff.
Larry, what's your best dish that you can create in the kitchen? Ooh.
So pasta challenge.
Oh.
Pasta challenge.
Bucky, what you said?
Pasta challenge. That is it. Yeah.
I'm a real rusty, but I don't know.
Yeah. All right. Excuses.
No,
YouTube, nigga.
So everybody want to challenge me. All right.
YouTube.
Fuck it. Run it.
Go on YouTube, brother, and fresh up the memory.
All right. All right. The one with Javi and Zoena and Taiwan, and then whoever pick the next episode.
What you doing? What's that for?
We're recapping our favorite episodes.
So what he pulling that for?
The Joel James one that you could probably play.
Yeah, you got some good clips of it.
Nigga, we not watching that shit right now, is we?
No, he's part of it. It's a past review.
Yo, so
What?
You say you about to battle Larry for the best pastas?
Yeah.
So that we do.
Wait, what
He
type
said
of pasta
yeah.
do you
Nah,
make?
bro, he said yeah.
I'm asking, what type of pasta do you make?
Nah, bro, don't worry about what he making.
no,
What
I'm
you
asking,
making?
I'm asking.
Nah,
More
son.
chicken Alfredo. That's
Chicken
mine.
Alfredo?
No, bro.
Oh, I could do that too.
No, because he about to make a roster pasta. We not hearing none of that.
That's
son.
what I was going to say, because I figured you
No,
could rest
we not doing that.
Because
We
it
not
has to be West Indies
Bro,
for you to do it.
No, it doesn't. Oh!
Judge,
He
good.
says you can't step
You don't
away.
live in this Italian domain.
So me can't make chicken parm in a nigga. What the fuck?
Bro, don't say what you gonna make. Shut up. Let this shit just happen, yo. Let this shit happen. We ain't had a cooking challenge in a
Me
year
do
almost,
pasta,
right?
you know.
Nah, it's good.
Nah, it ain't been a year.
White rice and
Nah,
chicken,
420
but
April will be a year. April will
Almost
be
a
a
year.
year.
It was almost a year. Yeah.
So
I'm having sugarless rice.
it was April. It was April.
Yeah.
Oh, that's what it was?
But the basmati too, you know.
420.
Tuna.
Right.
Yeah, man.
A birthday or skiing?
I don't think it was ski.
No, it was 420.
Shout out to the chat, man. I'm here with y'all. And I'm active.
Oh, what?
Yeah.
Damn, I didn't know that.
Yeah, shit was fire.
That's crazy.
They do it every year. I'm going back.
So what you
I
so
don't know. I don't know. I'm trying to debate if I want to. It wasn't even expensive either. Shit was cheap as bitch.
Really? It's for Wu-Tang, right?
Wu-Tang rap.
How much? How cheap?
Ghost
Chat.
was there.
How cheap?
Neff was there.
How cheap?
Ray was there.
How cheap?
145
Dang.
for 2 days.
Dang. I would have thought that's like a
Um,
$500 thing.
Nah.
Sheesh. You got the video up, Boom Day?
Yo, whatchamacallit though? The chat, what we pulling the video for? We already reviewing the episodes.
So listen to the boss.
Listen, he ain't no fucking boss. He just on the con, you know. He a partner to the damn
You let that
company.
nigga talk to you like that?
You know.
We're not gonna pull up the video. Oh, you want to talk what you want?
What we pulling up the video for?
Boss, you gonna let him talk to you like that?
Yo, the chat. What the chat said, Bucky? Bucky, what the chat talking
No,
about?
I was about to ask the chat because on the teleprompter say
the chat talking shit.
No, I saw that, but the teleprompter said we gotta ask the chat. What's their favorite episode? So y'all didn't even ask the chat.
But that's not in the order.
I mean, do your thing. Because y'all just reviewed like 5 episodes.
Hey, man.
And it's like.
I'm just here for the vibe.
So how we gonna review this video? Where you think I play?
Picture on picture.
Okay.
They work. That's what he was saying earlier about trying something new. Pause.
Okay. All right. So yeah, you and him was trying something. Why?
Nah, I said pause.
Yo, but the bumbo glad you Larry. I see it in there. Be careful in
there.
Oh, so production got some. So production got some. Is the chat gonna be able to see what we seeing?
Live Vibes YouTube.
Production.
All right, cause you know me, I'm gonna tell y'all the truth, bro. I'm gonna tell y'all the truth. If this shit is the truth, the truth, your dirty blood clot. Friend and I look. Friend and I look. All right, where? Larry, what you got? Say it. What y'all talk about, dog? Give me your best. What y'all talk about?
I don't know. Wait, am I supposed to say Jamaican?
Yeah, nigga, the best.
I was saying like
your best version. What the fuck? The bumbo cloud over there.
I know. I thought
Try again.
Normal.
Try again. Try again.
I don't know. I don't think I do
Put
that.
no talk about that.
As respect to people that aren't them.
We not take offense. We not take offense.
I don't want to do it. You know?
We not take offense. Go on the road.
You're not like us.
Yeah.
They're not like you.
Oh my God, Larry, hold on. Speaking of that, hold on, real quick. Larry, Kendrick dropping the deluxe album before the New Year?
You say what? About the deluxe album?
Kendrick, you think Kendrick gonna drop a deluxe album before the New Year?
He might do it before.
The New Year? What you mean? Didn't he just drop an album?
Or after.
Nah, he probably gonna drop it right after depending on the response of the Super Bowl.
Good promo.
That's fair.
I feel like he would do it.
That's fair because if he do it after Super
or
Bowl,
he do like Usher. Usher dropped the whole album on the Super Bowl.
You know, I was gonna say because they don't get paid that much for Super Bowl. Right?
Yeah, Usher dropped an entire album on the Super Bowl.
They get paid like $600-$700, and then because they make all that afterwards with their like the projected sales after that skyrocket.
He's literally going on tour after that shit. Yo.
And that shit about to sell out.
Who?
Him and SZA.
Okay.
Tour.
I mean, that's the thing. I don't feel like he need to. Does he need to?
Big shouts out to Shinsia, who on tour with
Who she touring with?
Right?
Okay.
Oh,
I fuck with you. Okay. Oh, I gotta tap into that.
Jamaican, yo. That's my wife.
Say her name for me. Cause y'all were talking shit about yes. Sperno Sensia.
Shinsia? That's what it sounded like he just said.
I said Shinsia.
Is it
I was trying to say it the way, but I fucked up. But
what am I saying wrong?
What did you say?
Shinsia.
Yeah, you good.
Shinsia.
I thought so.
I repeat what he said. Yeah, I was trying to figure out. I was like,
that's how you spell her. That's how her name is spelled.
Ask him again.
What's her name?
Shinsia.
Yeah, he said. What's her name?
Shenyang. Yeah. You know, me can't chat, so Shenyang anything there. Big up to Shenyang, she up on tour, you know.
Big facts.
What y'all nigga say?
He said you're a Shengang. Whatever that means.
Yeah, I'm an artist, yes. What do you mean? So you tell me say I born me out because I'm an artist of a female?
You're an artist of a female?
Yeah. I'm a fan of a female artist, no way.
No, it's not a fan of...
Shinsia, sexy.
True, man.
Alright.
What's wrong with that?
So are you
Let's talk about it.
Are you a fan of her songs or are you a fan of her as a woman?
All of them.
Hit and run, yo.
Little bit of skittle in there.
So hold on. Everyone. Explain myself now. Explain myself because if it's something I go watch. Watch it. No.
When him fuck up.
No. Take the sexual shit out of it. Listen.
I'm letting him get an
Yo, you can keep the sexual shit in it. No, let me. And if I'm wrong after this, you know, I deserve it. You wanna? All right. Watch out now. Well, the reason why I said that, she bad. She look good.
Yeah, she does.
Okay.
I agree.
With who?
All right. Watch out now. Shensia. Watch out now. Both. Watch out now.
I need a picture. Hold on. I need reference.
Shensia. All right. Let me show you.
No,
he bought like he got
No, Bucky, finish what you're saying.
All right, I'll finish. But make sure the picture. Hold on now.
How fast he went to that shit.
Well, I'm gonna show you Sheng Yang, boy. But yeah, clad. Why wouldn't you be a fan of that? You know what I'm saying? Bad as shit. I'm gonna show you something. All right, well, now take that out tight though. Cause me a married man now. I'm married every weekend.
Like this how she living out here.
I'm some of y'all look stay.
Yeah.
That's what's up.
Oh, you know some boy.
All right, I can see why you're a fan of her.
He said the music. Now, what are some of her hit songs, Bucky, for those who aren't aware?
Yeah.
Like Larry.
Side chick song.
Yeah, side chick song.
Foreplay.
I wasn't about to bring that one up.
Let me tell you this. So hold on. So you wouldn't fuck to a singing she a singing song. You wouldn't play a singing for your woman.
Me not play. If she a play,
idiot.
Oh, me set mood with woman song.
Idiot. Yeah, idiot to pussy clap.
Imagine you here for your woman. I am playing a song.
If me wrong. Chat, hold on. So you would play like a cranium though.
Yeah.
You're a batty boy. I'm tear brother. Why your woman talk to me while me I deal with my moms? I'm tear. What wrong with that? I'm tear brother. Chat, me wrong? Tell me. Me can't wrong.
Yeah, and the lyrics, go off.
No, and the lyrics. Watch it now. I'll never finish. All right. Me love her as a woman, yeah. You know what I'm saying? A woman, she look good. You know what I'm saying? But differently from that, brother, me not talk about a hit song. But listen to music. You see me I say, I'm love music, brother. Whenever listen to some Sheng Yang freestyle, I'm telling brother, whenever listen to some Sheng Yang freestyle, like, no production rhythm is just, freestyling.
I just say him to freestyle.
Yeah.
Come on, bro.
But we said her music, not just her
She do good music.
You just like her because of her body. You're a woman.
No, I fuck with her music.
Or
I fuck with her music.
Slut!
I'm gonna think Fever. One first tune again.
Delilah.
One first
Harlot.
Scallywag.
Yo, y'all niggas is
Hooker.
Jezebel.
Yo.
Prostitute.
Skank.
Yo, y'all about to get demonetized like a motherfucker. Y'all try wanna go and take jaw out, yeah? But hold on now, people. Listen. Me not was she on Fever?
I got
No, not Fever. Ludi.
What's her name again?
Ludi.
Cecilia?
I don't think she that was her like her maximum potential.
But she was young.
You know, that's what I'm saying. I didn't
know
even
how long ago that Ludi was.
Right.
Wait, I got a question.
But just pretty mids know, brother. Like when you listen to her freestyles, different mids.
Shensia?
Yeah. Shensia Glorilla?
Ooh.
I would have to say Shensia because we would have to be culture bias.
You like Sexy Red over Glorilla?
You like Sexy Red over Glorilla?
No. You might.
I be hearing singing Glorilla songs.
Yeah, fact.
He be singing Sexy Red a lot.
Nah, I fuck with Sexy Red songs, but I don't really know her shit like that. I fuck with her punches in her songs. I don't fuck with what she's saying most of the time, nigga. Like some of the songs be flowing.
Yes. Shake.
But what y'all gotta understand, yo, this is what y'all not understanding, bro. I'ma fuck with, yo, Larry. I love music, bro. I listen to music.
Her booty brown.
I like me study music. Like me we tell you, like me know when a song a hit, me can tell you when a song a hit song. You see how me can there over here, so me can tell the DJ say, yo, that no catch yet, you know, brother. You have to try again. And when it catch, me say, yeah.
See,
I got the air, bro.
I would give you credit.
So it's like
good bars,
bro. Look for some of them bumbuckler rapper who can't sit down on a rhythm. No homo.
Sexy Red punchlines.
Them some male rapper who can't sit down on a rhythm.
Really?
Larry.
Pause.
Really? Larry. Sexy Red punchlines?
No, me not say punchline, but me I say like, yo, you gotta talk. Yeah, you gotta think about like the shit he's saying, and bro, you know what? Y'all niggas is bugging, bro.
Really?
Y'all niggas is bugging, bro.
Really?
Yo, y'all gotta respect her though. She had the culture and the gridlock at one point.
She had a portion of the culture.
Yeah. I give you
yes.
that. I give you that.
Certain people, yes.
She did indeed.
She definitely did.
Yeah, I agree. She did.
But listen.
Jay, this your
But
clip?
so did crack. So don't mean he was good for you.
He's
good for us.
Larry is on one today.
Yeah, he definitely on it.
Larry is on one today, guys.
May I tell you right now?
Big shout out to both of them artists, by the way.
Yeah, shout out to them. They thugging with their rounds.
You know, it's live vibe, so you know.
I do like Sexy Red when she hang out with Kai though.
Vibe, you know.
They're funny,
I feel like, yo, I fuck with her because I watch her on Aiden's stream. I think that's the first stream I saw her on, but she was. I feel like she was not like. I feel like no reason why, not to cut you up, but one of the main reasons why I fuck with her, like, I feel like she's not putting on. That's she's doing her, bro. You know what I'm saying? And I respect that. And that shit, she make that shit work for her and her music. You know what I'm saying? So not to say it's gonna last. I ain't saying this shit gonna last. You know what I'm saying? But this shit was working. You know what I mean? And I fuck with how she just unapologetic. She remind me of a downtown girl, brother. I love my downtown girl, brother. I'm tell you, brother. I mean, it's Orange Street, you know, King Street, you know, and a big street. Eh? Yeah, man. Is it me?
Harlot.
Yeah, man. Third Street for people, you know, big up Third Street.
Hold on, do you got the video there?
Captain Breaker, but them place, whole Jamaica. Big up whole Jamaica, brother. Yeah, man. But we doing a reaction tonight. I saw what's going on.
I'll put the easy A on them.
Scarlet A.
Scarlet A. I'm like
Scarlet A.
Scarlet A.
Yeah, running video. Running throwback video.
So you got some treacherous crime.
Yo, we've been live for 2 hours. Yo, shouts out to the chat. Whoever's still in the chat, shouts out to y'all. We be vibing, so. I hearing nothing.
Wait, are we supposed to hear this?
Is the chat supposed to hear?
The chat can't hear, man.
We definitely gonna hear ourselves again, so y'all gotta
Somebody tall when they head getting cut off at the top of the hole.
That nigga was singing too?
Yeah. Screws down like this to get a good.
If I pull you up, we can hear the audio.
I mean, how tall is tall man? Is he over 6'1"?
Yeah, well over.
That nigga tall.
Who?
Well over.
Yo, chat now, yeah, this, you know.
That nigga don't play no fucking basketball.
He saying he used to.
He did?
But me don't think so either. Me don't think he agile enough.
I don't think he coordinated enough.
Wait, what's going on? What y'all not talking about, boy?
You know how you gonna look at niggas and see if that niggas play? You can tell if a nigga play basketball. I feel like
think play basketball.
I think he used the hoop, yo.
Yeah, I'm gonna think why. Well, I'm not gonna try
just
to.
tall, just to be tall. Look at him. Look at him. No, nobody I know that hoop can move like that.
Hey, my boy was starstruck that night, okay? My boy fell in love in first sight, okay? Shout out to Zwayna.
Right? That nigga never hoop a day in his life, yo.
He was singing, I give him that.
I don't know how basketball look.
Yeah.
And when was this? So over people.
Yeah, a few weeks ago.
RIC in the chat, shouts out. Yeah, she was vibing, I ain't gonna lie. I was lit that night too. But I only say it because I fuck with her. I love music, nigga, like, you know. And she a female. You know, I'm in the love her first. Me, I married man on the weekend. And that was the weekend. Yeah. The chat now, you're lower enough still, boy. I think you're alright.
You on this track too?
Yeah. I don't think I hear a goat in the background.
Wow, son. That nigga's never gonna let people don't forget. I never let that shit.
Never let a nigga forget.
Alright, Larry.
That's crazy, bro. That goat is wild.
Very.
Good one, really. This her song, right?
Yeah, nigga. I think she produced her shit too. Yeah, if I'm not mistaken. Summer, yeah, I think she do actually. Yeah, Chad, this is a segment I was talking about. Like, we gonna have something, we're gonna revise this some, it's gonna be different. Yo, switch it back to full screen now. It's gonna be yeah, we're gonna do it on content. We're gonna do content. Yeah. So look out for some content, y'all. You know what I mean? You heard?
You feel me?
All right, boy. Yeah. We got to.
Yeah, it's like he in a trance and shit.
A throwback would be crazy. But yo, shouts out to Zwayne. That was a dope episode. But I don't think we should go to last week's episode though.
Call it a night, yo.
Yeah. Shouts out to the chat. The chat was active. See the seal. I see the seal. Call it tonight.
You got some throwbacks,
Yo, Bucket, play it till about 11:50. Got my places to be.
Put up in Jeopardy, see if we see it.
Oh, we got Jeopardy. Oh, we do got Jeopardy. I'm tripping, yo.
No, we not have all night for children, so we don't know. We don't know about the all night thing. We do this. I tell you, we already live for 2 hours, man.
We gonna run into the wheel fall off.
Yeah, I ain't doing that, Jack. I'm like, yeah, I come go.
Yeah, we over here.
I'm like, yeah, I come go. Boy, yeah, go work for the wheel, boy.
Go and get some truth to put that pull up.
Kang.
Them have to get wings to catch me up.
Go on.
Cause I'm way up.
You know who give you something for drinking?
Way up.
Guy, Andrew Blacks.
You don't know people, this is VYBZ Friday, each and every Friday. This is what Thursday, we have the whole crew, Dr. Soa in the building.
Like up.
LA Larry there. Book it. Book up the place right now, the bandit himself is here, Mr. Allen.
Appreciate you having a short
everybody in the chat, watch your vibes.
Can you see me a cleanness?
Ready?
Do some rocking and the fucking real.
Yeah, see me.
In a little living best, y'all want with this big silicon and real best.
Y'all have no grease, but they think I'm a penis.
Yes, breeze that me rocking a sleeveless. That me, some man a the grievous. Them down this the man from ZR3 West.
Andrew Blacks, me can't go a day without a girl.
In my head,
me can't go a day without a girl.
in my head, so what do you need? We up at the bloody big bad man like the G, correct and you watch it be. Every day and not every week, I like you to be hungry.
If you want to tell the story, everybody rock.
Yo, make sure y'all subscribe to, man. Shouts out to the shot again. Yep. Drop a like if you don't subscribe. Appreciate your comment.
Hey yo, G, if you move your blood, hey, yo, so your bad mind.
Yeah, alright, that's definitely a fact. That's a fact. Content pulling up soon. So you know my president, alright, yeah, you're probably, you know you've been coming up, but just a process of coming. I'm up there right now.
They don't want to tell the story. Anyway,
you're burning it.
Gaza man crazy. No, we insane. Some boys who link and feel like they link on the chain. Y'all don't mess with the brain. Don't know we feel real intimidating fame. Cause we be falling the rain. Make it look like a scarp in the man. We style was a lot in when it's pain. Love to look off if I think it's a joke I'm saying. The girl I'm not easy for them to release and link on chain.
No try give me chat now. Big boys pants up the line. As a man bad truly. Bishop we no shot. Plus we respond to that. So when you see YVP officers so bad.
They just said the thing set.
I pre-read mass.
When you say popcorn, he can defend himself anywhere me there.
Everybody know about
the chat active in the DJ. Jump in now.
Me like your parents.
Throwback in now. Alright.
You never fear them, never fear them.
This when me get near them.
Send for grizzle beer them.
Everybody that's shot me with job move now.
We are the baddest out of street. Man real them counterfeit. Chop a must dream of mount a teeth. 40 leg 40
when
40 feet. Got no take defeat. Thunder road tree chop and block the street. So when you see me say the things I want to speak. The words them a win make every sweet. So what you want to say? Do what you want. When you see me, do what you want. Never watch out. Do what you want. I want you can do what you want. So what you want to say? Do what you want. When you see me, do what you want.
Watch out.
You coulda never have it in your mind unless you see a watch and say yes and your time. You coulda never have it in your mind unless you see a watch and say yes and your time.
The day round with fire, ram with the Gaza,
you're gonna get fire. Ram with the Gaza, you're gonna get fire.
Me know the go down, see the car tire. The day round with fire, ram with the Gaza,
you're gonna get fire. Ram with the Gaza, you're gonna get fire.
Little bit of people, me say that hell.
Bam, 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 bam.
If I ever be one of them,
I shot them.
ha ha. I know, little bit of people, me say that hell. Them never kill nobody yet, and lie them a tell. One shot in a your brain's head. Police be come
The boy never fought, them a fought. But the man alone no one want that.
This is a bad transmission.
Well, it's out and full of tattoo like jam. I see them. Me make them friend them restless like but see them. No rubbish and that chat like but see them. Me keep up with me to best when they buy them. Watch it, free them. 45 shots scattered. You got them for see them and she is like my girl. Girl up on your girl.
They got gang going.
Jaja is coming soon. Morning or night time. Protect his people them from them. Oh boy, Jaja is coming soon. Morning or night I know. Protect his people them from them. Oh boy, senseless. Oh Lord, me give her something. She said, oh my Lord, when we put it up, Ayana, she wanna for me, and I say, Ayana, push it up, Ayana.
But my pussy won't make me tell you this. Now my tip in the night, but I'm not fight with no piss. They try to bring me down, you live without the recipes. Me and know the can't go with Billy Big, I wanna pussy one friend. If it I gonna forget from my nerves. try to bring me down, you live dirty pessimist. Me, I know they can't go like this, I'm trying to kill you. Reach your fuck, I'm in the Preach your fuck, I'm in the cabin of my daddy. I don't want to make me live like Friday. Make like me a Greek, I'm a bad, I'm a river, I'm everything down. All the night in the hand, we see that for my road. The people DJ will be like for the ones and trees. Watch out. Big brick, chopping like bang. Nah, do not show unless I'm cashing a man. Nah, have work unless I'm 30 billion. Alien mode, me no regular, I'm a fab. This is style. Big whip, big cars. Bad, good vibes, this nice. I'm gonna move to the vibe. I'm gonna wind up the night place up.
Play for your money, my boy. Play for your money, because I'm a PA, you know. If they're not PA tonight, I'll be here. Shut up, fire over here. Ready.
Change up the gear in the car. Zoom. Gangs when I shit that around a boom. What we tell the girl then? So now I'm the air. You look one with a prayer to the savior. He's a boy, I got my traffic to the acre. Anytime I fuck a girl and I have a earpack. Oh, you feel earpack. Stop move like a deep one in my waist, man. Back home in my belly, give a feel.
Where's it at the tower? Yo, the chat pouring out mad quick. I forgot who said it in the chat. The chat was like, yo, Larry on the road to that for sure. Yo, you know what's crazy? He didn't want to come on that. Because you were late. We was like, yo, pull up. That nigga Larry was on the side writing a mad material. Bro, I had to
She take your fuck me now if you can't come. Little and mad, kid and mad. She say she come from New Hampshire. Me say me cooking in your belly till your mama grandson. She take your fuck me now if you like you.
When I for drink saka. Data son, but if you want a data link up, bitch you fuck me no papa massa. Beat up the pussy cast charma.
Yo, overnight, overtime, the people them say we are working for the people, so big up on yourself. Big up on yourself, I swear to God I love ya.
Deep for the water now for chips up.
Yo, the set is lit, the studio is active, everybody enjoy themselves and we safe. I hope y'all safe in the chat too. And make sure y'all leave a like before y'all leave. I mean, I can mark the register. So, Bree, make sure you leave a like. Leon, management, if me not see a like, remember, you know, we have the YouTube studio, so we're going to mark the register. Yeah, Bad Girl G YouTube. But big up all the ladies in that chat. I swear, I'm going to forget it, you know. Make him up for mark the register. Yeah. What's up for the DJ? Ladies.
You are the good dog.
Go on. Alright.
You are the good dog. Hold me.
After me say me, I go bust up. What me say to Puma? What me say to
Let me go, you're mad.
You are the good dog. Good dog. No man said 6:30, she got 6:40. Me love it when you're the you are the good dog.
Say that me man can you bounce it. Put your face in a pillow, girl. Come the legs are come from the funny bouncy. For me, donkey. Come to the one like confident.
Chat, I'm sorry. I was dancing on the laptop. That didn't look too safe. I'm sorry. I deserve my beat. Over there, I'm out of
Honda. You are the good dog, What's me name? No repeat it. Think your man, I go beat it. Hush your mouth, it's a secret. But the man, this man's
you know, someone look my head tapping on it, just be careful. Don't broke with no mother or no man. Center table. All right, go on, do.
You are the good dog.
Ladies, I phone time, no? I phone time.
Original,
Get it, have it, man.
They never had a pretty girl from Joburg to me now, and that's what they prefer. I don't touch no wheel, cause I got a chauffeur. First class, how I get around the world. Just miss me with the drama, unless you come in with the commas. Or DJ turn the sound up, cause we about to pour the rounds up. From Jersey to Ibiza,
I bet y'all didn't know we had a party going on too.
feel my body banging like speed.
Overtime, never pay me for tonight, so enjoy yourself, yeah? So remember, mix it up Fridays, share live vibes for the after party. Yep. But right us with the live vibes, after vibes. All right.
Jump. You know I love to make it jump. Back it up.
Love you give me him, don't spend time with me. The one that I possess. Can't believe it. No, you
Let's spend time with my woman. When me have one.
What
me tell her, say? Me want you. Oh, Jesus.
Everybody want out from my yard. Get your body most hard up. Fuck you want me left before me baby madam bad up. Think me when you reach home and flap very hard up. She says she want cheat on me, cheat away. He tell her come check me, yeah. Cheat on me, cheat away. She don't know, she don't she dead. She want give you one go. Now want put she want give you one go. Now want she want give you one go. Him get it over give back so. Now want here me tell you crazy we never let go. Stand up in a blow, me not gonna make you back. Go on in yard and you pop up in a car. Down the lace and drink and go to a night time. Anytime you know what they come on the phone, I'm gonna make you make up, you set them in slack. You don't need him none of that. Come on the Gaza for the general. She says she want cheat for me, cheat away, cheat it out. Come check me, yeah, cheat for me, cheat away. She don't know, she don't, you can't do it.
How you feel? Tell me how you feel.
Oh, Jesus, yo. Big up Portmore City, you know. Yeah. Big up Portmore. Whole Waterford. Whole Britain.
People, thanks for tuning in.
Appreciate the chat for tuning
This
in.
Vibes Friday, each and every Friday.
Yo, you don't need to turn that down, we talk to that. That's louder, it's louder.
Him cut already. DJ bucket over here. The band is there, Larry there.
Yeah. Just speak to the 40 you good. You gotta speak in the front of the mic. And you don't gotta turn that down. You're frost fuck. Right, yo, right now you sound like you're in a studio.
If you like the vibes, people, drop some fire emoji right now.
Feel away, let me that crush the road today. Murder, tell me what you say. It's a chair, it's a big crush the road today. Right now we not have no rest. So what you gonna do? She tell me she not let go.
She tell me she nah let go. She tell me she nah let go.
Amen. Oh, Jesus. How we are to up and
I'm from the bars, me I write this. This even though me in a prison. I feel like when Jesus Christ was risen. Hold it.
Throwback.
One done. This is a letter to my mama. It's a letter to my mama. This is a letter to my mama.
This is one of them songs really funny.
And the last one is not this. Because I just receive everything I had wish. Anyway, you know the feds them hold me.
Shaq, what you remember about this?
Listen what you told me. 30 years ago that you no heard of. Me woulda get less time if I murder. Me tell them me never know the pin file down. So a 9 months me get when it file down. A federal prison so me have me whole room. Me read the Bible every day I watch cartoon. Make it play, get do some heavy thinking. And when me come around me done with the drinking. Me just a concentrate on me music. And it choose me and never me choose it. You always say me stubborn and hard years. And one day me go learn the hard way. Me know you disappointed but praise me. And anyway say hold it up and get me. Me with a call and you know you understand right. But that's the greatest the time I go pass by. Me you can have it up there and try find me. Get it. Get it, yeah.
Get it, yeah. Oh, Jesus. Oh, yeah, this is the thing we forget about them. One of the things we forget about them. Me, I want to bump out tonight.
No money in a pocket, the youth them want.
DJ said no.
No more no more when I take the talk. No money in a bank when the youth them need. Can't beat the apple feed. No more when I take the talk. Forget richer, every get some man dream. So we have to make the cream, so we have to make the cream. Man, send up the red, but your pocket sit up the green. So we have to make the cream, so we cream, so we cream. You are high class, we have time for you. We have time for you. Grassy, we have time for you. We have time for no jail time, that a waste time. Mine for my money and my money for my mind. The shot of them a free, the dollar sign. I am blessed. Yes, I just the blessing. I just the blessing. Father God blessing.
Find any blessing tune it up, please answer.
I just the blessing.
Find any blessing tune it up.
Them can't stop me. I am blessed. I am blessed. Every day of my life I am blessed. When I wake up in the morning and I lay my head to rest. Every day of my life I am blessed. You know, me say me praise God straight. Make money, money it has one bad mind. God knows me, me love woman. Me father him, that's why me man. And up for them I try stop me fly past them straight. Funny for them I wicked, some of them in the rate. You know them want back still little food from me plate, but I got over devil.
Got them for me clean like the bill of pen. It's like a wrist them ready for blow me. You know why?
Paper.
Think of me ever.
Level.
Never lean, me ever clean, me ever.
DJ, big y'all level there. People, you know why I'm say that? Today, fresh and ever fresh, ever clean. You gonna be sad lounge? Yeah. This now. Give me a camera switch. Yeah, give me a camera switch, yeah. Yeah. This today now. This today now. Yeah. Yeah. This is Sky Lounge. Y'all don't need to know see the date. You just need to see the name. Cause it's gonna be at Sky Lounge and it's today. Yeah. So make sure y'all get up, get y'all beauty rest, ladies. You know what I'm saying? My dog said make sure you get to the rest. Touch your mile. Is it what I'm saying? Get the suit, ladies. You know what I mean? Link up your hairdresser, get them eyelashes glued down real good. You know what I'm saying? Tugs, clean out the clocks. Yeah. Cause I saw that tomorrow. Sky Lounge. Yeah. This is it. All right. Yo, Jay. You don't know I'm a G. One thing else. Yeah. Big up your extra. The full month. Yeah.
I'm still doing a phantom and Bentley man driving foreign. Me introduce NEC and the Red Bull thing. Why some boy have lost?
Again, chat, big up yourself. Appreciate pass it to.
Who first think house and change mama living from the 90s and pay top care. Me never hear where you in a pay back there. You see a Gucci me in a pay back there. You see a Louis V in a pay back there. They kill themselves when they drive. Pay back there.
Bang, bang, bang.
Can't call me, want them every day and everybody
people, this is the wind down of the show. Thanks for tuning in. Everybody in the chat, much respect, much love. We appreciate you for staying with the whole time.
Oh, my friend, them I roll out tomorrow. Them I roll out.
You know, we're there every Friday, 9 p.m. We start 9 p.m. We don't have time. We just go out with the vibes.
Alright, them I take.
So like we said, this is the close man of the show.
Good money, man. I had my money.
So I'm going to vibe out with you, right?
Yo, James. You use iron your money? I use an iron machine. What?
I don't know about that.
Iron machine.
Just like the cash with fresh cash every day. Huh? Just like the cash with fresh cash every day. Bumbo class, you know?
Okay. Y'all see it on the screen now, okay? It's on the screen. Yo, production is working for them under the night. Production, yeah, pull that shit up. Yeah. Production is working tonight.
Re-promo. Bumbo
So people, let's do this again.
Clickbait for tonight and tomorrow.
This is today.
Yeah, we are clickbait.
This is today.
Yeah.
Y'all see what's going to be at. Skyline. Ready?
Tomorrow night.
It's today. Yo, DJ, pull up. DJ. What the fuck is wrong with you? This nigga say, yo, if I gonna get fresh Jordans tomorrow. This is it's again. Drop it. Jesus.
One more time. People representing for
Angela
tonight. Saturday, December 14th, Sky Lounge, 1424 Moormead Boulevard. Dress code.
First Jordan man a rock NSC and the rock is ready to get tree from the champion man a pop, y'all a flap when we stop man a back anyway. Big fat range man a push, without the top, y'all a send me sweet.
Jay, what them know about the range madness? What them know about the range madness? Run back. Come on, look at more. I'm sure this guy maybe my phone. Pull up. Yeah, maybe I to the people, to them. Look at more.
Nice tonight, you know, people.
Yeah, tonight and now.
You see them about read tonight. You see what you drink and the mafia family pull up.
Upstate mafia.
Jordan man a rock NSC and the rock is ready to get tree from the champion man a pop, y'all a flap when we stop man a got anywhere by them. Big fat range man a push, without the top, y'all a send me sweet like lollipop.
Where's that from DJ? Ready. You don't know, say, I have a fresh, I have a clear, right? We are represent ready. I'm say.
Tomorrow night, remember everybody, please be it.
No boy can't take off my pants, me no play them they game. Girl inna my bed, make me turn up the flame. And if you no move, me no switch to my brain. Me prefer take a bullet and fall like the rain. Come kid a sugar cane. Woody, me no miss when me aim. Prima to the La Vega to 12 lanes. Stop, boy, I go pull up on your
What a mix, people. Little more, Sky Lounge, you tell them, man.
Paper, vibes, get the vibes. And we represent Paper Queen and Fresh tonight at Sky Lounge.
All right then, you guys go. I'll be here, guys, who are doing Sky Lounge.
Ladies, know tonight, they look come at Sky Lounge. When you know the family and me come to them. Everybody for life vibe and the one mafia family. Let me tell you about it right now.
Go see mafia, tell them.
From want a girl, me send rivers go shoot a girl. When you hear me, you call up all boat a girl. Me not too gone woman, but me we still don't want boat.
Boat, DJ work. Overtime. Skyload later. People, he play for rumba. Yeah.
Yo, Dre, make sure you come and check in.
DJ
Hey, girl.
Coulda slim as a coulda fatty boom boom.
Hey, girl. Why you look alive if you sit funny like Jimmy Wine till you run to the hill? How you find him? Happy attacking me. How you find him? 9 more times.
Oh, fuck.
Because so hard and wine for me body make me feel alright. Johnny play me well want to sit in your face so you
Yo, chat, I appreciate y'all again. Y'all probably tired of me by now, but I love y'all, man. Even if I'm not vibing with these motherfuckers, they talking shit, I know I can vibe with y'all, so appreciate y'all. I love y'all niggas. I'll make sure to follow to Skyline Clean because
tomorrow night, we see a big girl is going to the boy. Yesterday, girl, them a Skyline tomorrow night. Maybe tonight, we keep on forgetting.
Yeah, sip it up.
When Bucky listen to this playback, he about to be mad than a motherfucker.
Teleporting. Boy like me, get you. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna say, boy like me. I'm gonna say, ooh, boy like me.
Only boy like me. If I never forget the Bensky,
I'm the Chevy one. A boy like me. A boy like me. I got me fix it I lead. A boy like me.
If I never forget the Old Man,
You want your gang, then gang, don't know what to do it. When I'm a dealer, so I know everywhere you see me. You come, your thing. None of them must what you can't compare to me.
From your China, your island, your love town, your love time, but it's just a little child. It's just a little child.
Yeah.
When they run up, I'm free, your body fall up. Look on the brownie, now she roll up. And we don't play, cause we are grown up. Nigga day, you be get your bum broke. Hey, hey, when I pick the stone up. Look on the
All of them vibes are tonight. All of them vibes are tonight. All of them vibes are tonight. Sky Lounge tonight. You never see a promo like this. Different type of promo is for live, you know. Yeah. Sky, you have to clean every day. Yeah. That's how you go. You don't know, say after me month or so. You don't know, me always promo the party are different. Even if you don't go. Yeah. Yeah. I'm fluid month. Yeah.
Give you a light, I am a smoker. Miss Marky skin out like Ayoka. Shot driving a boy like Toyota. Where the fuck you think my friend find out?
Cause what? Pop down, mash up in our life. That them want happen, but that can't happen. No, that not happen. Yo, when I come from nothing to something, no man I live in a castle. Them walk off, but that not happen.
Put some ice in the mixed drinks. And if you ask me why we sip
Hey boy,
you put a
DJ boy.
system.
Play a tune, man.
Order another buckle. Put some ice in the mixed drinks. And if you ask me why we sip you put a ice in the system. Stop. If I say party, don't shut. And we gonna be party.
How I feel about some fried
sugar. This is Throwback with a different style. Yeah, come on. We don't really go custom tonight, but that's where we go. Yeah. We don't go too much custom at Throwback.
bully bad. No boy can bully bad. Bully bad.
Sang your dosa, sing your dosa, dance. Say you're better than what? Sang your fish up. When I'm
bully bad. Bully bad. No boy can bully bad. Bully bad.
including that them on your walk when you're yours.
This is what me do. When my dogs them not have no food. This is what I do. When them get my head confused and talking like the road and boy get flashed overboard. The road and cut like a samurai sword. The road and come back with me the load them to like a
Remember say, who to the bless, no man curse. Call your father, me pass the verse. From the cemetery, me pass the earth. From water hose to a water.
Massive and making moves, me know the bakery foods. Me bust them tasting tools and jewelers make the trumpet sound. What they sing down, dang 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 dang. The underground king, the keeper do him own thing. Them a itch feel like me chew the door get kicked till it open. Friend they make hot like this, split for this broken. They do this, anyway do this, I go jump thing. None of them no bad like me, none of them no bad like me. Nah, none of them no bad like me, none of them no bad like me. Nah. That's why you say what this.
Lord, me did tell you, them no bad like me, we did tell you. Remember me tell you, me style them fresh and never sell me love. Last them, easy pass them. Last them.
Chat, y'all here, chat? Cause I'm here.
Big ship a sail out with the neighbor. Big ship a sail out with the. Big ship a sail out with the neighbor. Big ship a sail out with the neighbor.
Yes.
See that now? Some boy for
engineer got that now.
Yes, but what I'm doing, I'll go you man about picking this. Juggle.
I know that I'm still on the
And this popcorn I'm gonna use and mash up Freedom Street. If
You
him
think I
smart. If him smart.
Yeah.
If him smart, and this puppy I use and fuck up Freedom Street.
Yeah. You right.
And he have to close
You
him
know
set.
music, boy.
And he have to close him set.
What you mean close him set?
Close him set for him performance.
Oh, that you only have to close his set?
If you no close, it have fuck up his set either way, but he have to close his set. If he close his set, it will go fuck up his place. And that's all him have to say on the stage. That's all him have to say.
That's a good last song though. I ain't gonna disagree.
And him have to do it exactly on the beat. He not have to do it on no crossover beat, on the original beat. Him have to drop it. Boom.
It's gonna be a Empire link up, reunion still, you know.
Yeah, that's what I say.
It's definitely gonna be a, you know. I ain't gonna lie. What you think right now, forward?
They want to let him in.
Huh?
If I'm let him back in, everybody want to let him back right now. But that's for next week. But people.
Appreciate y'all for showing up, man. A little more this, you know. You see this flag on the screen.
Sky Lounge.
Yep. Ever fresh, ever clean.
Ever clean.
Yeah, thing. This is annual thing, you know, so I don't know what badness go.
Maestro.
Yep.
Cosmis.
I don't remember.
Yeah. Sky Lounge
tonight, people. Just know, say, yo.
People, thanks for tuning in. Shout out to everybody in the chat. We appreciate you.
Yo, we've been going 3 hours strong. We streamers.
Yeah, tight shit.
All right, now.
Yeah, so.
Tight
Thanks for tuning in. See you next week. This is your boy, Gallus J. The Bandit here. Dr. Saw was here. Bucket. I said earlier, people who can't really listen to the mix, go work or go over. Just go back on the page and watch it again. It'll post again so you can rewatch it. So,
yeah, make
until
sure,
next Friday again, 9 p.m.
Squad.
You don't know if you like the vibe.
Subscribe.
If you like the vibe.
Subscribe.
Boom.
I know guys are standing down and still a big peace street blue. I know we still a go live and we not with no street free show.